Good afternoon, good evening. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. How we doing? How are we doing? Good to see you all. What do we got going on here? Bring out the whole motion. Yeah, we got motion today, gang. We got a lot of motion here. Yeah, we're bright and early. Who's ready to go? If you're ready to go, spam some W's in the chat. I'm going to get Zoom all set up here, and then we're going to rock and roll. Let's rock. Let's rock. How y'all doing? Everybody good? Oh, yeah, W's in the chat. Yup, W's in the chat. Let's get rid of that. Whoops. Oh, yeah, what up, everybody? Good to see you all. What up, all the mods in the building? We may have some new mods today. We may have some giveaways today. It's going to be a little bit of a stretch, gang, but I know you guys could do it. It's going to take a little bit of sharing the stream here today. It's going to take a little bit of maybe sharing the content that we post, but I think we can get there. All right, let me invite everybody here from Zoom. Boom. Hey, yo, Bowser's back. I was looking at his setup here. Holy. This man's got a setup. Oh, yeah. All right. Let me get Zoom. Okay. I think we are good. Good to go, gang. We may have some early action here again today. So hope you guys are locked in. Hope you're ready to go. If you're in bed right now, it's time to get up. It's time to get out. It's time to get those boots strapped. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to strap up the boots, but it's time to roll, man. Let's go. Another round of W's. Can we get another round of W's? Double W's today. All right, let's bring up the charts here. And let's bring up some Forex Factory. There they go. Another round of W's there. Double W's here today. Oh, what was that? Oh, my bad. Hold on one sec. Okay, cool. We're good. Alrighty. No, we just need to minimize that. Alright, cool. Alright, chat. Y'all ready? Let's take a look at what we got going on here today. It's good to see you all here. I see all the names here today. Everybody's in the house. All the big names are here. All the big names are in the house here today. Yeah, so it's Friday here, ladies and gents. It's time to go. It's the last day of the week, last day of the weekly candle, and I think it's the last trading day of the month here, right? I think so. It's the first over the weekend? Yeah. Oh, no, we got one more day of July. Monday's the 31st. Yeah, cool, cool. So let's take a look at what we got going on here. Let me just share my screen. Got done. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, everybody in Zoom. Hope you guys are doing good. All right, let's do this. All right, cool. So yeah, it is Friday, last day of the week. We got one more trading day of the month, but pretty much the last trading day of the month here. So it's been a pretty decent July, right? We were a little bit slow. We took 3 losses here. Not really that big of a deal, right? I think in the moment, a lot of times when people take losses, they feel like it's such a big deal. But looking back, I mean, we took 2 really, really small losses and 1 like actual loss here, right? So not a big deal at all. Let me lower the music here just a little bit. So not bad, right? Not bad. We still have 2 days left. So we still got 2 days left here of the month, and you know, we're gonna finish off strong here. You guys ready to finish off strong? Last night I took an L. Yeah, we're gonna finish the month off strong here. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what we got going on. I already have my my charts marked up here. So I was looking for range 2 buys above here. Looks like we finally got a potential range 2 breakout, but we still got 2 minutes left in this candle. So doesn't look like we're gonna close above. Let's just give this a minute and 30 seconds so we can make sure of that. If we do close above, we'll have buy positions going up to 1962 here to fill this range. But if not, we will break the charts down and start from scratch. Cool. Need to get my $10 back. All right. Good morning, everybody in Zoom land today. What up, Disturbed? What up, Bold? What up, Bradley? Bradley's in the building. What up, Classic Trader? Did I see some juicers here from the Discord now. What up, Shiro? Good morning, got a trade. Or good afternoon for you, but good morning for me. What up, Shiro? We dabbing on this Friday or what? Oh. What up, Kate? And for Ghost of Me's here. What up, Ghost of Me? What up, Henry? That guy TK's in the building. Hey, good morning, Prickly. Good morning, Z Gamer's in the house. Hey, I'm always pumped up when I see Z Gamer. What up, and what up, Trill? Trill. Who else we got? What mods do we got here today? Where the mods at? What up, Christian? Man, in the beginning we had more mods than viewers. Now I can't even see the mods in all this traffic. we had 4 mods, 8 viewers. There he is. What up, Scott? What up, Scotty boy? Good morning, Jeanette. Good morning, Nightbot. Nightbot's hustling early. Yeah, gotta love Nightbot. Straight hustling early. Do you have mentorship? Yeah, right here. Yup, free YouTube live streams every single morning. What up, Austin? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Austin. Good morning, Pablo. What up, Christopher? All right. No closure, but we did get a close above here on pound yen. So I am looking at pound yen here as well. We have a very, very nice wick fill. We're going to need a bottom wick here, though, right? We're going to need a bottom wick. And then if we can come up and break this high right here, then we can potentially continue on up. So let's see what happens. You also have this resistance here on the 30-minute time frame. So depending on whether or not we get this bottom wick, we may have positions here. Yeah, I think I was planning on waiting for the 30-minute regardless, because there is a let's just go over everything, right? Let's run this up. Let's run a top-down analysis here on both pairs. We got a little bit of time. I know I have at least 15 minutes here on both pairs. So let's take a look at gold here, ladies and gentlemen. A new day, a new fresh analysis here on gold. And let's take a look at where we are at, because we're in a very interesting area. We've been here for about 2 months now, and we're just trying to make a move, right? We're trying to make a decision here. And we know that we're in this rejection area here on gold, right? If we're looking at the monthly time frame, we got, multiple rejections, right? You got a rejection here, which is your first, you got a second, and then here you got a third, right? 1, 2, 3 rejections in this area right here around 1990 to about 2080. This is a massive rejection area there, and that's what we've been trying to break out of, right? We've been trying to break up, then we've been trying to break down, but just doesn't seem to be able to move, right? So what's one thing we notice, right? Resistance is here. Very strong resistance, rejection on top. You had a bearish candle close last month, and that bearish candle did close below this zone here, right? So if you notice, this bearish candle right here closed below that level right here, indicating that price action should be able to come down now, right? And fill the range here at 1825. but we've been struggling here, right? The month is coming to an end. We were supposed to be able to close below here like we did and go ahead and fill this range, but if you notice that this monthly candle has not done that, right? This monthly candle is actually still above this current range here, right? It's not inside of it. We were hoping for price to be able to fill this range here, but nothing, right? Was never able to do that. So now we got to take a look at where can price go, right? Where can price go? What's one thing that we've noticed here? We have noticed here that price has broken this monthly high, has broken the previous candle's monthly high at this point. But what's funny is we broke the high and then just rejected, right? Yesterday we tried to attempt to continue on up, but never happened, right? And listen, gang, our position yesterday, if we were going up, we had such a money position, and that's just how it is sometimes, right? Sometimes you're going to come to the charts, you're going to catch the bottom, you're going to catch a support, because if price did push bullish yesterday, we had basically our stop loss could have been the low of the day, right? How many times have I seen that happen? And the next 3 or 4 candles move bullish. So we had beautiful buy positions yesterday. And then sometimes what's going to happen is you're going to notice a change in direction, which we noticed yesterday, right? And we were open to taking sells, but unfortunately there was no doorway in the markets for us and our strategy and our system and the way we trade, right? So we have to wait for that door. And that door didn't come until we were, pretty low. But, price action said price closed below that level. We should continue down, maybe not 100 pips, right? But we had 20, 25 pips in that range, and that's good enough for us to take advantage of. But we'll go back over that trade in a little while. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch on that real quick as well. So we broken the highs, we've kind of rejected there. We don't know where we're at this point. The weekly is flipped bearish, has broken the lows, never broke the weekly highs. And man, we talked about this on Monday. I think we talked about this on Friday last week. But we talked about it on Monday, where price on the weekly time frame overall did not close below, let's just use like this level right here, right? Or this level right here, just kind of like a medium average level. Because if we notice, there's a lot of rejections in these levels here, right? In this area. So this is our kind of like our average, and this candle right here did not close above that, right? This bullish candle never did close above. It closed slightly above, and remember what I said, that's done purposely, right? There's a reason that it's slightly above there, and that's to cause confusion to price action traders, right? So we closed very, very sketchy, and now we have broken the low. We came up, we failed to break this high, we respected this high, and now we're moving back bearish, right? So what I would love to see on this weekly candle here today is for the candle to close bearish below the range here, right? Oh, hold on one sec. Below this range. If we can close below this level to the left hand side, then next week we should see a strong push, and that would line up on the monthly time frame as well if the monthly is going to continue down here. So next week we could potentially, if we close bearish below the range, see another push coming down like this, right? So that's what we're looking at here on gold monthly and weekly time frame. Now let's make sense of all these wick rejections here on the daily, right? So daily did close bearish. We did close below the support level here at 1953, which is pretty clean. You do have some major support as well here. You guys remember 1940, right? You guys remember 1940 and all these attempts to close below many times. Once we got that closure, we did push down. But you guys remember 1940, right? It's we've been in this area for 2 months now. So what we want to see here on this daily candle, well, if the daily candle closes back above the range here today, we'll most likely push up. If we do close below, then that's going to be a very healthy push down on the weekly time frame for the weekly to close below as well. And we can probably anticipate something like that happening, right? We are bearish on the day. Previous daily candle right here did close strong bearish. We did close below this level of support right here. There is clean traffic to the left hand side, right? These are things that we know because we can see them. We're not guessing. We can see them. They're right in front of our face. Now, if we're going to take sells here today, we're going to take buys here today. How are we going to do that? Well, we got to go down to the lower time frames, right? So lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, you have a clear support right here at 1948. And then there's another level or so. We have no resistance, right? Just a somewhat of a support now, breaking the highs. Because this was a resistance, but if this candle now closes above, it should too, right? If it's breaking the highs, then that now becomes a support. So let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is clearly in a range. This is your range here on the 1-hour time frame. And right now, there's not much happening in that range, right? Maybe if you took buys, but you kind of needed some sort of more confirmation in terms of taking buys there, because what we had here, and let's get rid of this, what we had last night was a support here and a resistance here, right? And as you guys know, we are bearish on the day, so we would need range 2 buys above this level here, right? We have to wait for range 2 buys, but because we are bearish, we can take our sells right below here, all based off the previous daily candle. Now, what is a range 2 buy, right? A range 2 buy is when we do not jump on price as we get the breakout. Oh, wrong thing. We do not jump on price when we get a simple breakout going against the daily trend, right? So this trade right here, if you guys took any buys from here to here, that broke your plan, just so you guys know. That breaks your plan. Those are profits, but in my opinion, they're not good profits, right? So if you're playing the game and playing the system and being disciplined to it, right? That's those aren't our buys there. What a range 2 is something like this, right? We wait for price to come up. We wait for price to form somewhat of a resistance because we don't want to get caught in any fake outs, right? And then we wait for price to come back down to create a support. And once we have a support formed, and what I mean by that is a bullish candle closure, now you're starting to form a range 2, right? So if you're going to look for the range 2 breakout, it's going to be off of this candle right here that officially closes above the range, right? So if we have a support here, a new resistance here, and then we get a candle to break out of that range, then what can we do? Then we can look to take our buys now coming up, right? Right, so that's what we're waiting for here on gold if we're going to take buys. Now, does this look familiar? I spy range 2 breakout, potentially. Right, doesn't this look pretty similar to this? As a matter of fact, very similar, right? So it looks like we could potentially have a range 2 breakout here, right? Because if we're looking at a range 2 breakout and now we're seeing that on the chart, then we could say, hey, anything above this level here, we could look to take our buys coming up, right, to 1963. So that's what we're going to be looking at here today, gang. We got range 2 breakouts potentially happening. If not, we will look to take our sells coming back down. So at this point, what you're going to get is either a range 2 breakout or a fake out, right? But I think the fake out would have potentially happened here, and price should have closed back below. So if we do break out here, we're good to go for buys. All right. So clean buys above 1954, 500 here. We'll be looking to take buys above here on gold today, and then the target would be would probably be right here, right at 1963. This is about an 80 pip range, I believe. Let me just double check that. Yeah, about 85, 86 pip range. So if we do get this range 2 breakout, we'll be happy to take these buys, and then yeah, we could take sells either if we get a fake out or if we get a closure back below. Or we could just wait for 1944. We'll have to see how all that plays out. But as of right now, this is what it's looking like on gold. This is what it's looking like. Cool. So I'm gonna be when it comes to buys here, I'm gonna be staying out of the red zone here. I will potentially look for some maybe fake out, right, for price to close bearish to start coming back down based off of the higher time frame direction. But other than that, buys would have to be above here. So no buys in this range right here. Potential fake out to go back down, but we're not seeing, you know, any signs of that just yet. So this 1 hour candle here also has no bottom wick just yet. So just hold your horses here, gang. Just hang tight, right? So yeah, that's the story here on gold. If we do get closures above 1954, I'll look to take buys coming up. I'll trade in this range right here. This is where the money's going to be at today, and then, you know, sells are going to be below, you know, any of these levels. So that is the day on gold here, ladies and gentlemen. That's the day. We have really nice money up here for us, right? Nice. Our dollars are going to sit up here today or below here today. That's where the money's at. That's where the smiles are at. So let's hang tight. Let's see what happens right here in this zone. If we do get fake outs to come back down, we'll look to, you know, take advantage of that. If we get a nice clean closure above, then we'll take advantage of this range here. Cool. All right, let's take a look at pound yen as well. So also very, very small to no bottom wick on this 1 hour candle. That's okay. As long as we do get a 30-minute closure above here in 15 minutes, then we will be looking to fill this wick here, coming up to 185.22. So let's take a look at GJ here for a minute. Hey, I didn't check either, but I hope we had 200 likes. All right, let's take a look at pound yen. So weekly time frame, very bearish, right? Monthly time frame looks like we could potentially close bear here. That would be awesome. That would be just incredible, man. So we can get some new ranges here. So weekly is very bearish as well. We did break all these weekly lows here. If we're looking at the daily time frame to find direction for today, well, we did close bearish, right? We closed bearish below all this level of support here. You did get a break of the lows, but it looks like price has kind of shot back up now. So I'm not sure exactly how this happened. Yeah, it looks like we came down right away, and then there was some, was that news on the pound here? No, I don't see anything here. So yeah, so it looks like we shot down right away, came back up. Now we're starting to move bullish. There is a wick to fill here, but let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame here. So 1 hour time frame, you had a pretty much a support here, you had a resistance here, and we needed a range to break out to take buys here as well, right? Because we were very bearish off the daily time frame. So it looks like if you would have taken your buys here, you may have gotten faked out, right? So this is why we always look to wait for range 2 buys, because this fake out can happen at any point and price could drive back down to retest the lows or come back down to the bottom of the range here. So you need a range 2 if you're looking to take buys above here. Now we finally did get a closure, right? And then we got a resistance, and now we've formed a support, and we have officially closed above that resistance as well there, right? So that's what we're looking at now. We're looking at a range 2 opportunity here. So what I would say is the 30-minute looks much cleaner. Let's wait for a closure, a official candle to close above this resistance level here on the 30-minute time frame, and then I'll look to take my buys to go up and fill that wick, but not until that happens, right? So last hourly candle closed pretty strong. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. 30-minute close very weak though. So we want to make sure we're good to go on the 30-minute time frame before we jump the gun here on the 1 hour time frame. All right. Cool. And what I'll do here is I'll just draw range 2 buy above here, because just so you guys can see the range, right? And you guys can notice the fake out happen here. And then now we've kind of closed above again. We pushed up, created that resistance, got that support. And now if we get a closure above, that confirms our range 2 breakout. Cool. And then we could take sells below these levels here. Yeah, because we are pretty bearish here on the day. So I'll look to take sells potentially below 178.80 here. Let's clone it. Clone. Did he say clone? Alrighty. What's good? Everybody good? Does that make sense to everybody? Anybody got questions? All right, cool. Hey, Green. Green's in the building. Dollar breaking. Dollar is breaking. There he is. What up, Forex Frank? All right. Price pushing up here on both pairs. Yeah, we got no bottom wick here on this 1 hour candle. Gold and GJ looking very similar right now. Very, very similar. Oh, look at this. Yeah, gang, we had a monster push yesterday around like 2 p.m. I left the desk for a little bit. I was back and forth. I came back. This candle was like all the way down here. So, yeah. Nice move there. We were waiting for closures below there, too. So, once you got that close, you were gone. And, gang, I would have loved to be in there at 9:30 yesterday. You guys know that. But, gang, I couldn't break the plan, right? One thing I want to know, who took advantage of 9:30? If you took advantage of 9:30, put 9:30 in the chat. I just want to see anyone who took advantage of that move. Vant Trading in the building. Hey, y'all know I wanted to take advantage, right? You guys heard me say, listen, I want in, but I'm not going against my plan. And everyone who posted 9:30 here, if you guys have the same plan as me, which a lot of you do, I want to know, where was your stop loss? Where was your stop? Aha! You didn't think I was going to put the pressure question on you, did you? Not me. I need it. Yep, Sam knows. Previous candle. Really? I didn't have one. Mental stop. Yeah, that sounds a little bit more like it. No stop. Yep. All right. At least some of you guys could be honest. Thank you. I just wanted to confirm that. We always stick to the plan. There you go, Leo. Who said mental stop? You didn't think I was going to put the pressure question on you, did you? All right. Just wanted to make sure. No stops, huh? Raja Casino. Your TP was my stop loss. Y'all hey, chat quaking right now. No stop loss. All right, at least some of you guys could be honest with me. That's what I wanted. I wanted the honest answer. You guys didn't have a stop loss. Does that sound professional? Real men don't use be a man. Real men don't use stops. All right, just wanted to ask that question. Just wanted to see where you guys were at with that trade. It was a lovely trade, don't get me wrong, but for me, man, I had no stops. Someone said the current candle. Oh yeah, your stop was this wick right here? Yeah, I'm not buying that one. I'm not buying your stop was the top wick. Tyler, you hear this, bro? Yeah, 15-minute was probably the best. If you used a 15-minute high, congratulations. That's probably your best stop loss. 1,000 pips. What the heck's a stop loss? Alrighty. Good stuff. Good stuff here, gang. Hey, yo, Mike is in the building. I'm trying to figure out if they're serious or not. The casino. All right. Yeah, we're going to wait for that closure here on pound yen. Trailing stops. Yeah, but what if it was in drawdown? What if price activated and you went straight into drawdown? What if it didn't just drive? Right? What if it didn't drive in 50 pips in 10 seconds? What was the plan? Keep moving the stop. Hey, what up, Cash Z? What up, Cash Z? Hedge it. There you go. What up, Tandy? Stop loss was blown account. Gold pushing up nicely here. You had a 30-minute somewhat celery play, but still in the range, so couldn't really touch that. Send Bitcoin, Uncle Scalp. Roll the options into next month. Yeah, that's pretty funny. I said, yo, who took the trade at 9:30? Everyone, if you took the trade at 9:30, press 9:30. Everyone's like, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. I took that move. And then I was like, where's your stop loss? And all of a sudden, it's like, wait, did he just ask where was my stop loss? Gold just passed the UK pivot. Oh. You're from the future. There you go. Caught in 4K. Yeah. Yep. So anyway, we waiting for two closures here. Two closures. There's Bowser. What up, Bowser? Good to see you. I'm redoing my setup. Oh, Sam got a new setup going on. Yo, Bowser, I was looking at your desk setup here. Let me show the whole crew. Let me show the whole crew how you do. Gang, look at this. This is like a spaceship. You enter this thing, you're entering the spaceship. You're going to the moon like Doge. Wowzer. Yeah, man, this thing is at nighttime, this thing is insane. Oh, what do you got? A snake in here? Oh, cool. Oh, nice. Who likes snakes? Ooh. Yeah, nah, this setup is legit. I don't know if I would survive a day in here, but this thing is pretty cool. Gunner would definitely need to upgrade. Oh, actually, these probably are blue light blocker anyway. He's got that Princess Peach. Nick, one question related to funded accounts. If someone reaches 5% daily drawdown, does the account consider as breached? Yes. Yep. No matter what. If you go 5% negative on your funded account, for most companies, then yeah, they're going to breach the account and they're going to shut down the server and you're not going to know what the heck happened. Trust me, I did that about 20 times. Oh, I guess I hit my 5%. All right, let me whip out the credit card, debit card. Go ahead and shell out another $500. Gangs, I'm telling you, some of you guys say you want my journey. If you really knew, you may not want my journey. Trust me. Yeah, some of you guys are killing it. You guys are only failing those 5K accounts. Smart. Man, I was blowing 100K accounts left and right at 500 apiece. Not financially smart. Bring out the whole credit card. My ego wouldn't let me do less than 100K. Yeah, exactly. I'm like, no way. If I need this 100K account, like where I'm at right now, if it's not 100K, then there's no point in me even doing it. I spent 12K on challenges before I started passing. Yeah, there you go, man. I think I spent like a little bit more than that. Yeah, it took a little bit longer for me to get it. Did you work a job to get those 100K accounts? Nah, I'm a bit of an entrepreneur, so I was always like selling things or flipping things or figuring out a way that I didn't have to go to a job. So it was rough and tough, you know. You live dollar by dollar, but you know, it was something that I was willing to sacrifice. So, all right, 30-minute candle did close. GJ closed back in the range, so nothing for us on pound yen just yet. What are we? We're pretty. Oh yeah, we're bearish here. Hey, gang. We may have sells here on pound yen. Yeah, we've already broken the lows here. So if we are anticipating the move back down, then let's see if we can get a bearish closure here. We got a bearish closure here on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if we can get a bearish closure here at NY Open, create resistance, and then we can come back down. We'll go break even around that support level, and then we'll just hold this thing. We'll just hold it. Just hold it. Yeah, I'll probably hold this thing to 177,700. Yeah, how about this? We'll hold it to 177,777. How about that? Just for giggles. Yeah, I'm not going to take it off to 30 because we're still in this bit of a choppy range. No top wick either. But if we do get it, if we do get a resistance formed here on the 1 hour time frame, with the NY Open coming in, it should bring volume into the market. So we should see a push down. So this is the candle I'll look to be taken advantage of. So let's see if we can get that candle closure, and then we'll we'll go break even right around this support level, and then just start closing partials around 177,777. Sound good? And then goldy gold. Let's see if we get a bottom wick here on gold. Ideally, I would love to see like a 30-minute celery play here. That'd be perfect. Yeah, if this bearish 30-minute candle can stay above this range here, I think we can get a 30-minute celery play, entry on the break of the highs here, and run this thing up to like 1963-ish. Drop 1,000 likes. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. How many people we got here today? Where we at? 1,500 people, but only 400 likes. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're doing $100,000 worth of challenge account giveaways here. I'm ready to go. We may be able to do this today. I'm just waiting on you guys, right? It's gonna be a stretch, right? We need like 1,000 subs, but it's not like we haven't done that, right, in a day. So I'm ready to do the giveaway. What up, Johnny boy?
Hey, what's good, brother Nick? How you doing?
Man, I'm doing just amazing, dude. Absolutely incredible.
Love that, bro.
How about you?
Love it. Same here, bro. I'm doing absolutely amazing myself. Couldn't be more grateful. You know? What's good,
man.
everyone in YouTube? What's good, chat? How y'all doing?
Land.
What's good, everyone in Zoom? Happy Friday.
Got it, boy.
Oh, Uncle Scalp's here
Scalp?
bright and early today. Hold on, Mr. Scalp. Mr. Scalp, I will be right with you.
Send the Bitcoin.
Send the Bitcoin. How you feeling today, Uncle Scalp?
It is a great day.
What a great day, huh?
Today's a great day to be on the charts with you guys.
Right?
Sure.
The uncle's in the house. Yeah, man, what a day. What a great day, man. During my gratitude session, man, just thinking how far me and my wife have really come and the things that we plan. You know, in life, gang, you get what you plan on getting, right? If you don't got a plan, you're really not going to get much. If you don't plan financial freedom, financial independence, freedom, things like that, chances are you're not going to get it, right? So these are things that my wife and I, we planned and we fought for. We fought hard for it too. You know, like I said, man, there was times where it was dollar by dollar, and it feels good, you know, sitting here today, just being grateful for where we're at in life, and you know, knowing the fight and the journey, right, and everything it took to get here. Man, you know, we're really free. But even when we were broke, we were free in Christ, right? Never once did I let a dollar amount dictate my worth. Right, I knew that when whoever the sun sets free is free indeed, and it's just really cool, refreshing, and calming to experience the same peace with money that I experienced without money, knowing that there's true freedom in the sun, right? True freedom, and it's just been such a gift, such a blessing to have had that mindset when we couldn't even rub pennies together. And now we are doing, you know, okay for ourselves, but realizing the dream, right? Seeing that stuff come to fruition, and we're just getting started here. So it's, man, I'm just grateful, very, very grateful. Why no entry? What do you mean? Hard work, planning, etc. Yup, going from 2008 dead broke, 2018 getting it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why not take buys in the flip? You can take buys in the flip, no problem. Yeah, we've already broken the highs. I was looking to wait for the NY Open here. Yeah, we may have a 30-minute celery play. And it's that W partner, and both of you guys are admirable parents and leaders. Oh, thanks, Tandy. Thanks, bro. Gold 30-minute didn't close with no bottom wick. Even with the celery play, don't you say candles should have both top and bottom wicks? Yeah, are you talking about the 1 hour here? Yeah, that's why I want to wait. I want to wait for extra confirmation here, because the 1 hour candle's still open and it has not created a bottom wick yet. Now, again, most candles have top and bottom wicks. So I don't really want to take this on the 1 hour time frame. I'd much rather wait for a extra confirmation. Well, two extra confirmations. Number one, a 30-minute close above here. Number two, the NY Open. So we'll have volume coming in. We'll have one of our best setups in place, and we'll also have a second closure outside of this no bottom wick close right here. Yeah, because the 1 hour is still open. The 1 hour could still pull back and close below this range here. Yeah, look at this candle. At one point, this was the 1 hour candle, and it was all the way up where price is currently, and then it came back down, closed bearish below the range. So we don't want to jump the gun too much. Plus, I'd rather wait for volume to dump in. Good question though. Good stuff. Great attitude. Yeah. No, the range 2 we got. Yeah, the range 2 we've gotten. Because this was our first range, right? So anytime we're going against the daily bias, we want to wait for a range 2. So this was the original range, and we wanted to wait. We didn't want to take our buys right outside of this range. We wanted that range 2 breakout. So this is the second range now. And if we can get a candle to close now outside of the range here, then that's going to be our breakout. Now we have that on the 30-minute time frame, right? We already have it on the 30. This candle closed above. But the 1 hour has no bottom wick here, and we are also coming into NY open in about 20 minutes. So therefore, I would much rather wait. If this candle had a healthy bottom wick, then this may change my decision. But as of right now, no bottom wick on that candle. I wanna give this thing a little bit more time to make sure that that 1 hour candle is gonna close above, and really above this level here. And then we can anticipate the 30-minute celery play, and we could take our buys coming up, you know, as volume starts dumping into the market here at the NY open, right? These are going to be the buys that we're looking to take advantage of here. So we've gotten the range 2, right? Because if this is range 1 is here, this is range 2. Now we've got the breakout, but I want to see the breakout on the 1 hour time frame. So until this candle closes, we don't have an official range 2 breakout. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see. It's gonna go up? Question mark? Oh, I wish I could tell you, but I'm not from the future. Bro, you literally master patience. This could increase our stop loss. What? Waiting for the candle to close? Nope, because we'll have stops below this candle here. Stops below here. Entry on the break of the highs. Yeah, if anything, it hold on, did you say it increases our? Yeah, if anything, it decreases it, right? Because right now, stops would have to be below this candle here. And that also has no bottom wick, so yeah. Instead of having a 51 pip stop, we may be able to have like a 21 pip stop. Yo, bro, watching you from Kenya. Hey, yo. Hey, Nick, how you doing, bro? I'm doing incredible. I'm doing incredible. How are you doing? It's good to have you here today. Good to see you all. Where can I get the spreadsheet? Exclamation point spreadsheet. If you could try. Hey, Nick, what is the significance of the bottom wick in the 1 hour candle? Good question. So almost every candle you see here, it has top and bottom wicks, right? 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So there's an 85% chance that, you know, this candle will create a bottom wick if it doesn't have one already. Now, that's fine. Sometimes candles are going to close with no bottom wick. That's okay. But basically what that does is it gives you a stop loss, but it also gives you a new low. So if you notice what's going on, right, in the markets, as market structure is taught that if you're in an uptrend, you should be making higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows. I think we're all taught that as beginners. And if you look at these candles, the candles have their own higher highs and higher lows as well, right? So you have a high, you have a low, you have a high, Now, there's no new low yet, right? This candle never came down to make a new low, so price is just moving from that high. So that's another piece of the puzzle here, is that if we want to continue up strongly, just as a market trend would, then you would need these higher highs and higher lows. So the probability of it moving in our direction becomes more of a 50-50 versus, let's say, an 80-20 or a 90-10. And I don't like to take any 50-50 trades. So therefore, I always want to wait. And in this case, if we don't get a bottom wick, that's okay. But in order for me to enter into a buy position, I need at least a new candle to close on the 30-minute time frame, and then break the high for me to get into this position here, right? So that will actually confirm we should continue on up. But notice how this candle's coming down now, right? So take a look, pay attention to the 1 hour candle here. So yeah, so we need to make sure this candle closes above the range. And I know some of you guys got into buys, but that's okay. Just hear what I'm saying. Hear me out here.
1 hour is also a stronger time frame than the 30. Remember that.
Yep.
Always want to go over off of those stronger time frames, right? Because they're stronger confirmations.
Yep. How many trades did you take this year? We took about 100 trades. Great stream, bro. Do you feel that your 400K account will be enough to live from? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not a simple man. I mean, I am a simple man. You know, I'm not a bougie type of guy. You know, I like to have nice stuff, don't get me wrong, but I don't need to, you know, $10,000 days are more than enough for me.
Back to just replacing your job, right? And getting your family freedom. That's mostly the goal for me, at least.
Yeah. Yeah, don't focus too much on the 10K days, the 20K days. Just focus, hey, what's going to help you guys right now, right? What's going to make a difference in your life right now? And then go based off of that, right? Maybe for some of you guys, all you really need, all any couple, let's say, really needs to get things running a little bit smoother in their marriage and in their finances is really just like an extra $2 to $3 grand a month, right? If you can make an extra $2 to $3 grand a month, which you can, you know, let's not even think about quitting the job and buying jets and nice jewelry and doing this and that. How about we just focus on what can help you now, right? What can pay off your mortgage every month so you can start to put more money in the bank or pay off your debt, right? How's the secondary income going to help you in your in your situation right now? You know, of course everyone wants to make the big money, right? But let's focus on what's going to keep us disciplined to, you know, make sure we get the job done and take our base hits every day and be disciplined and move on with it. What's some advice you will give to those who are starting out on a funded challenge? Just do not rush it. Take your time, right? No rush. And get a playbook. Stick to the playbook. Be disciplined to it. Do not focus on the amount you're up. Do not focus on the amount you're down. All you need to focus on as a trader, whether you're in phase 1, whether you're in phase 2, whether you're trading a live account, whether you're trading your own capital, whether you're on a 100K account, 500K account, $1 million account, whether you're on a 5K account. The only thing you really need to be focused on a daily basis is staying disciplined to your plan and executing on your edge. Everything else is completely outside of your control, right? So take it trade by trade and move on with it, right? And make sure you're being disciplined to a system that will give you a high win rate like we have. But other than that, don't think too much about it. Just, you know, if you're going to be a profitable trader, then start trading like a profitable trader does. And, you know, you'll have that account in no time.
And trade like the account's live already, right?
Yep.
Act like it's your account already.
Mm-hmm.
Because it is yours. If you trade it like it is yours, right? Do the correct things for it, it will soon be yours. So you're also speaking it into existence.
Yeah, and nothing's going to change. Like if you just happen to kind of get lucky and pass the account, that doesn't mean now all of a sudden you're going to just profit every month. That doesn't mean all of a sudden now you're just a profitable trader because you passed the account. You know, one thing, as I continued failing those accounts, one thing I realized was, even if I pass one right now, I'm not going to be able to hold it because I'm not being disciplined. I'm not being a professional. So why don't I just start acting like a professional and being disciplined? Maybe I'll pass it the account, and then, hey, if I could pass the account, maybe I can hold it, right? If I'm going to continue to keep that up. And I understood that that was real, and then I seen it work out, and I understand how real it is that if I go ahead now and break these rules, that I can go right back to where I was. So just because you got to somewhere doesn't mean now you could just do whatever you want either, right? Because you can easily go right back to where you were, and that's why, gang, you'll never see me break my rule, because I've been hurt way too much. I've been stung by the bee, right? I've been hurt too much to break rules anymore. That Nick is no longer here, right? That trader is no longer on the desk because that trader was a losing trader, right? So I had to make sure that I was being disciplined, and in order for me to do that, I knew that I cannot break the rule ever. Even one time, right? Even one time, if you break your rule once, you're bound to break it again. So therefore, you'll never see me break the rule. Right? And then that's where the discipline gets stronger. That discipline muscle gets stronger and stronger and stronger. Every time you can stay away from anything outside of your plan. As you don't deviate, that muscle gets extremely powerful. Morning, bro. Hey, morning, Henry.
Like we were talking about yesterday, in the times to build your muscle and work out the muscle is the times right now during these sessions, and in certain situations like yesterday's 9:30 trade. And
that was a good
I don't
workout.
know who took that or not, right? But imagine working out, you're disciplined there, right? Not budget on that because of no topic, right? Yep. Those are certain situations where you build upon your discipline and patience muscle, and you work them out, and you grow them in these situations during the session.
Yeah. Some of you guys went to the gym yesterday at 9:30. You got a good workout on that discipline muscle. You worked out discipline.
Yep.
How many trades did we take this week? This week, let's see. What did this week start on? What's today? The 28th? So
we had like 3 trades.
I think we took 3 or 4 trades, yeah, this week.
Gotta pick up.
Yep. Yeah, we've had a really good we've navigated through this pretty difficult month here pretty well too. Pretty well.
We're like in the middle of summer right now. So
yeah.
In the middle of summer.
June we crushed it, man. We were basically, I think we had a 96% win rate here in June. So we crushed it in June. We crushed it in May. We crushed it in April, right? April, we only took 2 losses that whole month. June, we only took 1 loss. 1 10-pip loss there.
June was awesome, bro.
Yeah, June was incredible. Bring June back. Yeah, June was good. And July's been great too, right? I mean, again, you can expect 3 or 4 trades on any given, 3 or 4 losses right around any given month, right? I mean, again, the numbers, the outcome of every trade is a random result, right? So all we can do is execute on our edge. And as we do that, 10 times, you're bound to have like 2 losses in there, right? So you just got to roll with that as traders and understand that your job is not to win every trade. And that's why when you don't win, you're angry. For some reason, some of you guys still get angry. I cannot relate. Some of you guys get very emotional after a losing trade. I cannot relate. And that's because you're just trying to do this thing for the money. You so desperately want the money that when you don't get it, you're mad. And when you get it, you're happy. Oh my God, look, we won a trade, W's. Man, who cares? Who cares about the result, right? All that we need to focus on as professionals is, are we being disciplined and executing on our edge? If we have executed on our edge, then we have won. We have won the trade. The outcome will be completely random. That's not where you win or lose, right? You lose a trade by going against your plan. I don't care if you made money on it. That's not what we're talking about, right? If you made money but broke the plan, in my opinion, you lost. You lost. You lost an opportunity to be disciplined. You lost an opportunity to exercise that muscle. So anytime you enter a trade without hesitation that your system is calling for, that's a W. The outcome of the result is random. That's not where the W or the L falls. Maybe in your P&L, yes. But if you're trading a winning system, then over time the P&L will reflect in a positive manner. Right? So keep all that in mind, please. Buys on GJ. Gang, we need a closure here on both pairs. So we have nothing yet, right? There's nothing going on until 6 more minutes. How come you use the same lot size on gold and GJ? Let's say stops are 20 pips on both pairs. If you wanted to risk the same amount of money, you'd need to use 14 lots on GJ. Yeah, sometimes I'll use 20 lots on pound yen. Yeah, just for simplicity sometimes. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, sometimes just keep it simple, but yeah, other than that, sometimes I'll use 20 lots, sometimes I'll use 10 lots. It's just all a matter of where or how big stops are. If you want to learn how to be disciplined and learn a simple strategy, you just have to show up here. Yeah, on the lives every day, and you'll learn. You will learn. That's right, Brian. What up, Joe Stewart?
Joey Stew.
All right, we got 6 minutes. This 30-minute celery is looking pretty clean, just like we planned from the beginning. So let's see if we get that, and if we do, we will be executing on these buys. So just give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. What up, Joey Stew's in the building? John and Uncle Scalp, take it from here.
Hey, Sam.
Yo,
before I go, let me get Sam up here. Hold on.
Wham,
What's up,
wham.
Sam?
Oh, what up, brothers?
Can we spam the
brother.
chat with
How are you
Whams?
rocking this morning? How are you rocking this?
Wham and Wose are in the
Doing
house.
Good, rocking good.
Morning,
All
good
right.
morning.
Good morning, Jose.
Go, baby.
Howdy, boy,
Oh,
Unc,
Jose.
Sam. How you
What
doing?
was that?
What up, Jose? Another beautiful day
BRB.
for us.
Hey, another beautiful day chilling with the boys.
Yes,
Training
sir.
with the boys.
Doing what we love to do.
Right?
Yeah, I decided to come up to my penthouse in Manhattan. So. This is my conference room, by the way.
Yo.
Hey. Oh, best part of the
I was taking out one of my monitors, and then I was trying to figure out how I wanted to set it up.
Or would you just like switch it up, or
Well, like my one monitor, I don't know, it stopped working. I've been trying new cables. I think I'm just gonna pitch it, bro. And so I just got the 2 now, and I'll probably get another one. We'll see though, because this thing is massive.
or
Like, look at this, bro.
yeesh? Yeah. Damn.
So,
Yeah, man, I'm getting a PC pretty soon too here too. So can't wait.
yo, let's go. Yeah, that'll be a crazy upgrade.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, and then you can really like personalize it and then get what you want to get out of it.
Yep.
Yo, Jose, wait, so didn't you like help Nick set stuff up? Do you know? Does he have an NVIDIA graphics card or does he have?
He has NVIDIA. I think he's, if I'm not mistaken, he's running 3080.
Oh, that thing is beautiful.
Yeah, because his was a step up from mine, and I'm running 3070.
Yeah, I have a 2080 Super.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got that thing when it was like brand new. I remember it was like $900. I was like, sheesh.
Man, those things are crazy. Like, I saw like the new ones that they released. They're going for like 3,000. Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy TK, man. I
Well, I
want,
was also
pretty
like
much want
17
that.
too when I bought that thing. So I was like that was like forking over, like a freaking month's rent, bro. What
Yeah,
that
that guy
felt like.
TK.
That's what that felt like.
Oh. I want one similar to Nick's, if not doper, right?
Yeah,
But yeah, we
there.
Dude,
definitely
we
get
could
a
get
dope
you
PC.
doper. We could get
Oh
you
yeah, we
doper.
will.
could. I mean, it's just gonna be up there.
Yeah.
Nah, honestly, I feel like you can like well. See, like Nick, what
Did someone say
he put
doper?
like 5 or 6. Yeah, Johnny Moore's trying to outdo you, bro, in the PC and the setup department. He says
He knows,
he's
bro.
like,
Nick knows.
something like Nick, something. Nah, I'm just
He
playing.
wants the
But
Bowser setup.
like the
Yep.
PC itself, I feel like you can get a good deal on. But like, obviously Nick went all out with everything, like microphone, like best of the best. So. But
Yes,
yeah,
sir. Gang, we might have some buys here. Buys,
I like the
stops,
seller.
possibly. Yeah, stops are going to be pretty decent too here.
Oh, you ain't using current candle?
For now, it looks like I'm going to use this previous one, and then let's see if we get a decent current candle stop. But yeah, chat, so potentially you're going to have buy stops here on this 30-minute celery play. Looks good, right? We had a closure above on the 30-minute, a new close above on the new candle here, hourly candle closure. Let's see if we get a bottom wick too, and then we'll have buy stops here at like 1958, 215-ish, right around there. And then the break-even point here on this trade is probably going to be right around these levels here at 1960, 135. Yeah, we got a lot of wicks in that area, so we'll look to probably go break even, maybe close partials. We'll see. At that point, we should be about 20 pips. So yeah, we may close partials as well. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, chat. I'm going to have buy stops here on the break of the highs. Range 2 breakout here.
Hey Nick, TP's 1963, right?
Yes. Yeah, 1963. You could even put, let's say 1964 will do. And then break even's going to be 1960, 280, like 280. Sweet. And you guys can use current candle stops if you'd like as well. Those are usually pretty good on the celery play here. So buy stops here on the break of the highs.
What are you using previous?
I'm going to use previous candle stops for now. Yeah. What is the difference here? Let's take a look. 19 to 33-ish. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to use current candle stops here. Current candle stops. If we break the high, we should have no business breaking the low. So I'm going to use current candle stops. Once we get activated, I'll switch it over. If we get activated. If we get activated. Lovely, lovely.
Like,
Who's Quake?
The money that made me a savage.
I'm gonna sniff them out. You gotta smell that?
Later.
Smelling it.
Later.
No reason to be Quake. We're not even in the trade.
Yeah, just make sure you guys account for spread, right? Just account a little bit for spread. But yeah, we break those highs. You should see a quick push up to 1960 and then possibly the continuation on up. So let's see.
Oh, I think I'm activated.
Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, we should all be activated here in just a moment. Let's see, let's see. Nope, not yet. Can we get activated? Let's see. Almost, almost. Do. Activated, activated. Ooh, okay. Yeah, we should be good to go here. Should pop. Yeah, we should break that high, and then you should see probably a pretty quick push too.
Hey, if you guys are scared, you might be over risking, right? If anything, you guys should be feeling satisfied that we're executing on our edge. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Johnny boy.
Sir.
Hey, gang, the outcome is completely random of this trade. If you can't live with that, go get a job at McDonald's. No, I'm just kidding. Well, gang, the outcome is completely random of this trade. The the probability is about 92% win rate, but the outcome's completely random. So, everybody, keep that in mind. Are you activated, Nick? Nope, not yet. Waiting to get activated here. Can't see price. That's going to be 160 to 283. Break even. All right, that should have activated me. Almost. Hey, you guys got better entries than me. All right, there we go. I'm in. So I've been activated here, chat. Got into some buys based off of this 30-minute celery play, 1 hour range 2 breakout. We have officially broken the highs here, so we're now expecting a push up. So entry is here at 1958. The stops are going to be below the current candle. The current candle, which is 1956. And then TP is going to be up here at 1963, 1964. And then we'll look to go break even right around 1960, all right? So that's the trade. Now we wait. Now we wait. GJ, what about GJ? Yeah, you should see a quick push here. It's NY open. You should see a pretty decent push now that we're breaking these highs. And yeah. All right, beautiful. Let's see if we got the juice. Do we got the juice to move? Taco Tuesday?
We have the juice.
What about news? There's no news yet. Show your MT5. This is MT5. How much do you risk per day? I don't base it off that. It's just I use oh, I'm only using 8 lots here. Crap. Yeah, I usually use 10 lots. Yeah, signals, you guys can use either stop, right? Whatever stop you want. They're both valid. They're both legit. You can add 2 lots. Yeah, no, I might do that.
15 looks good. 4-hour looks
I
good.
might do it.
That's super clean. I mean, playbook
Yeah.
setup.
That looks good.
Love it.
Yeah, I just added another 2
That
lots,
looks
so now I
fire.
got 10 lots. All right, go 20 lots. What about news? News is in like 25 minutes, no? News isn't right now. Yeah, news is at 8:30. Yep. GJ is bullish. Yes, GJ is bullish. Yeah, if you get a bottom wick here and break the highs, and not a bad position. I'm gonna stick to gold currently, but yeah, you're gonna need a bottom wick, and then break of the highs is pretty decent move up. Doom. How do you pass a challenge in 1 month? I'm not too sure. You think you'll exit before news? We'll see what happens when news comes. We still got time on that. Yeah, if we're in profit but not at break even yet, then I'll probably go break even at that point. So yeah. Let's see here. Stay on this stream every day. There you go. Your copy trader opens 40 lots. Yeah. The copy trader will open whatever risk I'm risking on my 100K. That's what it'll open in terms of lots. Lots of lots. No, I didn't really add that many more lots. Typically, I would use a 10 lot here, so I got a 10 lot in. Watching from New Zealand. Hey, what is good from New Zealand? Bring out the whole ocean for this trade. Yeah, there you go. Oh, left it running overnight. Wow. I'm doing the funded trader challenge on my account. Oh, nice. I noticed when I activate, every price moves 2 pips. Yeah, it's probably a spread. It's probably just a spread. Why not use stops on the previous candle? You can use previous candle stops, but if it breaks the low, there's a very high chance we'll come down and fill that wick there. So I'd rather get out of the trade earlier than later. So that's why I'm going to just keep my stops below that candle. Sniper entry. Chat quick. Remember chat, random outcome of this trade, right? Random outcome here. But we know that this position here has a 92% win rate. So that's why we have to execute, right? We have to execute when that comes about. Do 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 do. Can I get the flip? News comes in 9 minutes. No, news comes in about a little bit more than 15 minutes here, like 17, 18 minutes. Dubs in the chat. Comics in 8 minutes. Yeah, comics is happening in 8 minutes here, so we'll see what happens. Oh, 5 minute pushing down. Pushing down. Pushing downtown. See if we can respect the lows there. Yeah, because if it breaks the lows here, then there's a high chance that we can come down, right? That the next candle could be a fake out on the 1 hour time frame, right? So fake out on the 1 hour time frame, I don't want to be in for the rest of that, right? If I'm wrong about this trade, I want to be wrong up here, not down here. So that's kind of my my thoughts. Oh. Will we get stopped out here? Oh, wow, we got stopped out in the first position there. Will the 10 lot last? Or the 8 lot? Stop loss hit, next trade.
Maybe it just wanted that 2 lot liquidity.
Maybe. Hopefully it just wanted my 2 lot. It's not coming after my 10. Or my 8 lot.
Sam, you're still in it?
Nah.
No.
Yeah, I'll most likely get stopped here. Looks like we're breaking those lows and yeah, coming down.
I went out with the 2 lot.
We went out with the 2. Fake out buying resistance level. Oh, nice. Yeah, what we planned was a range 2 breakout here, right? So that's what we were looking for. This was our first range. This was our second range. This was the breakout that we wanted. We got that, so that's how we executed. Yeah, very simple celery play, you know, push up. No, I didn't move my stops. It was just, that was the new position. I probably should have put it exactly where my other one was, but. Yeah, W setup here though. I would take this position any day.
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
Any day of the week. 15-minute candle closed. It closed bearish. So yeah, we might get wiped out here. Closed below the range here too. W setup, yeah. But based off the 30-minute, we're still decently ahead of the trade. Please exit, bro? No. I'm not going to exit emotionally. I'm going to exit when my stop gets hit. Oh, yeah, look at GJ pop now. Yeah, some of y'all just want gold, right? You guys like, nah, don't do GJ. Now look.
Now they're gonna start saying
I'm not trading
boycott
gold anymore.
What?
Yeah, we got stopped. All right, cool. So stops have been hit on that position, that celery play. Let's mark that trade up. Hold on. Yeah, let's mark this up here. So that was 8 a.m. Another 8 a.m. L. Interesting. 8 a.m.
Interesting.
Interesting.
7 what? 28? 728. 23. Gold buy. Breakout. Entry was on previous candle. Celery play. Full. I think we took a negative 26 pip loss there, right? 23, 20, yeah, we'll call it 25 pips. Yeah, look at that. Nothing we could really do about that. Normally, that's going to push up there. Yep.
Right, yeah. Broke the highs, was clean.
Let's see.
1 hour time frame too. Closed above, broke the
Yeah.
highs, made a bottom wick. That's all we can do. Execute on
25.
our setup.
25. All right, perfect. On to the
One thing-
next.
Yeah, one thing that I just, you know, for me personally, I always love to say is that at the end of every trade, I can say, man, that was a good trade.
Yep.
Win or loss, no matter what. Man, that was a good trade.
Yeah, yeah. You see how
Yeah.
we
It was
see
a
how
good
once
setup.
we broke the low, now we broke the other low here. So no matter where your stops were, you were getting if that low broke after breaking that high, very high chance you're getting stopped out there.
Right.
So yeah, that was the trade. So it looks like it's gonna be a 1 hour fake out here back into the range. That's what it's looking like to me. So we waited for our fake out, you know, we waited for our range too, but it still came with the fake out. It still hit us. Put user in timeout. Imagine getting put in timeout. Sheesh. Did you learn from Don Vo? Yeah, I learned a lot from Don. Yep. Do you think there's
Someone
an
did
issue?
just skip the gem that you just dropped. That's crazy. You said it and then he asked it for like 30 seconds after.
Yeah, look at that. GJ was the move here, gang. Sheesh.
See, we did manage our risk perfectly on that trade. I saw someone had asked why we didn't or why Nick didn't manage risk. He just got done explaining about how if we were gonna break the candle's own lows after we drove up and broke the highs of the previous candle, then there's a very high probability it's gonna come down and fill that wick on the 30-minute. And look what it did. So we just saved ourselves another. Well, me personally, I just saved myself another like 1.3%.
Yep.
That I would have lost. You know what I mean? And that's the thing here. You're looking to lose the least amount possible, right? How can you avoid the losses, as many or as much loss as possible? You know, not focusing on the
Yep.
big winners and taking less losses.
Discipline. Your brain. There you go.
Discipline, yeah. Forget what else I was gonna say.
3-minute time frame. Got a double top. Oh, nice. Yeah, came down, broke that low here too. No heart pounding on entry. I respect how you manage the loss trade, minimize the loss every possible. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah, because if we're breaking that high, then current candles are probably going to be the best bet. If we break the current candle low after breaking the high on a bearish day, very high chance we'll continue down, right? So that's why if we are going to go long here and we're breaking the highs, that was our best. And either stop was good, but you know, having that current candle stop with, I'd rather be wrong, like I was saying up here, than down here.
Yeah, 1000%.
Anyone who's spamming L's, let's see your P&L.
Yeah, that guy TK though, I love that. You said no heart pounding on entry, no heart pounding during the trade. That, bro, that's just your brain recognizing, you know, the setups every time and just knowing to execute. Like that's that. So yeah, W growth.
Yep.
W. That's just all that is.
No Bruce.
That's huge though.
Huge. Sorry about the loss. It was a very good trade. Yo, yeah, don't be sorry. Listen, gang, I'm always prepared for the loss, right? Every single trade is a random outcome, right? We got to get that into our head. Remember, we won the trade, right? What did I say beforehand? Anytime we execute on our edge, we have won. Today we executed on our edge, we won. We took an L in our P&L, but we won, right? Yesterday we executed on our edge, we won. Yeah, we took a win on our P&L, but either way, we won regardless, right? If you can muster it up and make sure you're disciplined to act, right? Because you have discipline to stay off the charts, and there's also discipline to get into the markets, right? So it works both ways. So today, guess what? We had discipline to get into the markets on our edge. We executed, and that was a W, right? The result was an L on the P&L, but the W was there in terms of executing on the edge and being a professional in your craft.
Yep, and the best way to move on from a loss, chat, is focus on the next trade. You know, just accept that. You know, if you really want to do this long term, accept that in your mind and practice it. Take action on it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1000%. Like all I want to do is see the next setup because I know it's a very high chance that it's gonna win, right?
Yep.
That's all I want to see. Like the biggest thing about when people lose, I think they say somewhere there's a statistic. It's like after 7 trades, the average trader will change his plan. Throw in a loss, it'll change it up quicker. So how many of you are gonna take a L and then just start gambling, start taking lower time frame trades, trying to gamble it back, right? Breaking the plan.
Yep.
And you know that's where the discipline's built. And that's really where what makes or breaks a trader, in my opinion. A lot of the
Yes,
time.
sir. On to the next. Let's see here. Thanks for the knowledge. You're welcome. Yeah, there you go. You gotta keep losing so you can get used to the emotional. Some of you guys are too emotional. No loss strategy? Yeah, that's your other live streamer. Where can I get the journal? Oh, you can get it in the Discord there. Yeah, just go to the Discord, go to announcements, and then scroll up a little bit. Or you could just hit exclamation point playbook or journal. Bro literally lost every trade. You said that twice, Derek. Shows me a lot about you, pal. And then if you look at our P&L here, you'll see that we did not lose every trade. Matter of fact,
Getting put in timeout.
as you go to June, you'll see that we won almost every trade. Damn, you got put in timeout, Derek. Sheesh. Imagine being a grown man getting put in timeout. Holy.
That's reminds me of a kindergarten class.
I'm about to throw my laptop out the window.
Holy.
How much did I lose on my 400K? Let's take a look. about 11,000. 11 grand. What a loser. Who comes here to spoil your name? Yeah, right? Yeah, you can tell a lot by people just by what they say. Yeah, one thing about me is I've got a lot of people skills, and I learned about human nature, and you could just smell a loser out when you see one or hear one, or you could even be typing and you can know they're a loser. But you just got to pray for them, right? Just pray that there'll be a winner one day. Derek in the mud. Derek's in timeout. Whoever's been in sales. Yeah, there you go. You got to get a lot of no's. Go for no. All right, so look at this. Gold broke the lows, broke the highs here. Typical 8 a.m. candle, man. Yeah, I think the last trade we took at 8 a.m. we took a loss on too. Yeah, I think the last 8 a.m. trade was a loss. Let's take a look. I'm curious. 8 a.m., 8 a.m. Yeah, see that? See, I know my trading, man. Last 8 a.m. trade, we took a loss, and I don't think we really had many 8 a.m. trades before that. Yeah, I think we typically waited for at least 8:15 here. Yeah. Yep. 8 a.m. Yeah, that was the last March 13th, 8 a.m. Oh no, here's March 17th. Took a win. Yeah. So we're 2 for 4 8 a.m. on the year. On the year. But yeah, let's see what happens here now, because we got 8:30 coming in. We got news coming in. Prices pushing back up.
Sheesh.
Look at that. There it goes.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Smack right in the face.
No bottom line.
Yep.
So
And there you have it. So that was the push. That would have been yeah, that would have been partials right there.
yeah, our trading set was said and done though, no matter what. So
Yeah.
no one should be emotional. You know, it even came and broke the 30-minute lows.
Yep.
And then this thing drove with no bottom wick. Can you predict that? That's not price action that I like to be in.
No more 8 a.m. trades. No more locked doors.
It's not even the timing though. It's just following the playbook. No matter, you know, as long as it's in the New York session within our volume hours.
Yep.
You know,
Yeah.
that's all it is.
Tapped. 1 hour time frame. Look at that. Look. Would you look at it?
Nah, I bet there's people in buys that are quick.
Quick.
What do I do? When do I get out?
Roman buys, TP.
Random bets. No more stop losses for me. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I would have took that trade any day. That trade right there would have taken regardless, no matter what.
1000%.
Yeah.
It was our edge.
Yep. W analysis. Yeah. Someone's like, "You're buying at a resistance, bro?" Come on, man. Your analysis is great. And gold, yeah. Gold grabbed us. We were the liquidity grab today. Some days
Yeah, it happens.
you become the liquidity grab. Nothing you can do.
Yeah, 1000%. It is what it is.
Yeah, GJ pushing up very nicely here. Do. Yeah, nice move up there. Very
Why
nice
not get in
push.
again? There was no new setup here at all on this new 8:30 candle, and plus this is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
news candle.
Yep. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, beautiful analysis overall though. Price tapped into that area in which we were looking for. Same thing with pound yen, right? We're starting to fill this wick here. Pound yen was the 8 a.m. move here today. Yeah, very nice. No bottom wick here, but that was because of the push up there on news.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. GJ taking part. Oh, nice, nice. Good job getting it on GJ there. Did you find that last summer was a slow one? No, actually, not really. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad last year. Got in again. Oh, nice. How do I stop getting happy after a win, Nick? You just gotta, you know, it becomes normal, right? After a bit, when you start to run the system and you start to see 80-85% win rate, it just becomes regular at that point, you know. And then you just accept the losses for what they are. You know, losses are going to be a part of the game. But, you know that if you continue to be disciplined to your edge, then usually at the end of every month, you're going to be straight. Yeah, I never jump up and down for my wins because it's what we do, right? We win. Winning is regular. And therefore, I never get upset when I lose because either way, I'm executing on my plan. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as a professional. And, you know, that's all we could do here on the charts. Close half at stops. Oh, cool, cool. What's an edge? Yeah. Of course. Because Nick is a boss? Nah, it's just because I've been doing this for quite some time now, right? I understand the expectations of trading. Yeah, some of you guys are gonna add GJ back in your watch list now. Screw gold, man.
Nah,
True.
The news is bullish. CPI always does that, yeah.
They were dead like that here. So I just moved him over there. Honestly, it creeps me out. Did you put him there? I was about to say with them because they were staring at me when I was looking down with them.
Whoa, Johnny boy. Who
Sure.
was staring at you?
yeah, who's staring at you, bro?
John's like, I took my AirPods out, but it didn't mute.
Oh, did it not?
Nah, he's like,
Shit, my fault.
they're staring at me.
How many trades are you planning on doing today? Oh, let me see. How many trades? 4 trades I've planned on taking today. No, I'm just kidding. I just take a trade when my playbook position shows up. That's all. I don't plan on taking X amount of trades. I just show up to my session. If my playbook positions show up, I take trades. If they don't, I just sit tight. Simple. Johnny boy got people staring at him. Yeah. How's the challenge account? Oh, it's going good. I was up 2% and then I was down, I think 2 or 3%, and then I made it back up to 2% and now I just took a loss. So I think I'm down 2% here. No, 1%. Yeah, down 1%. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, this has been probably the weirdest month that we've had so far here. Yeah, so far this year. Yeah, it's been a little up and down, up and down.
And next
But-
July we vacation.
But yeah, you're gonna have those months here and there. You know, you're gonna have weird months. I mean, we should be extremely, you know, we should still remain profitable, but you're gonna have months here and there, gang, where you know you're not gonna be, you know, winning every single trade, and you know trades aren't just gonna go flying into up to your TP. I think a lot of people have gotten a bit spoiled because a lot of times we get into trades and boom, just shoots right into TP, starts hitting our targets really quickly. But then you got to understand, like, there's months like July where, you know, price action is slow, or you know things are choppy, or there's a lot of news, and you know you just gotta navigate throughout the markets the best that you can, right? And the way we know how to do that is by sticking to our playbook, sticking to our strategy. So that's what we just remain, you know, focused on, is just sticking to being a professional and just doing what we do best. 10 lots, 25 pips, 2.5. Yeah. Yep. Which prop firm is the 400K? Yeah, that is the funded trader. Yeah, the funded trader. That's what trading is all about. Yep, yeah, exactly. Yeah. If you want guaranteed income, then you got to go maybe get a job or something. But if you want to be a trader, you got to be able to handle things like this, right? It's just normal. There's nothing wrong here, gang. Everything is A-okay. The best to skip summer. Oh yeah, maybe next time we'll just vacation all summer. Now, I had good performance last year during the summer. TFT has a sale right now. Yeah, I think I've seen that. Yup. June was amazing. Yeah, you can't expect every month to be like June. June, we were pretty much 100%.
Literally.
I got 95% payout. Yeah, me too. I got 95% payouts for the life of the funded trader account. So I look forward to every payout. Is 500 a good starting balance? Yeah, why not? I think I started with 500. All right, perfecto. All right, cool. Come back, June. What happened to gold? Oh, let's see. Gold is struggling here. Struggling. Yeah, we've only taken what I think like how many? 4 losses here. You know, some traders, they take 4 losses every day. You know, we've taken 4 losses in June, so it's not that bad. It's not as bad as you think. Yeah, some of you guys took 4 losses today. July to June. I have 10 days to pass. Oh, nice. If I go positive, I'm going to wait for a retry. Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, do it. I think you get free retries after that point, right? Yeah, if you get the retry, I think it becomes unlimited time.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, 4 hours looking good here on GJ. July was a good learning month. Yeah, it was. It was. It was a good month for you guys to kind of understand like that you can lose trades, right? Like, I think some of you guys forgot that we could lose. We can lose trades here, gang. Right? That's a part of trading. So all the real good lessons are taken or are gained when you take a loss, right? Because then you can kind of see where you're at on the emotion scale, and see where you're at, right? So you can start to make those adjustments and see where the growth needs to take place. So, oh, nice. 800 bucks payout coming. Nice. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Be right back.
I mean, yeah, chat. It makes sense for this month too, right? I mean, I didn't take a loss last month. I don't know about you guys, but I didn't take a loss last month. But this month we took 4, right? That's just how trading is. You gotta just accept that the outcomes are gonna be random every trade, right? And we were due for some losses too. I mean, I had 100% month last month, so we were due for some losses. So it's part of trading, right? Take the lesson for this month. That it's okay to take losses. It's okay to take healthy losses, right? There's nothing wrong with that. We're doing this long term, right? I'm doing this for the rest of my life, so I'm not gonna let one trade or a couple of trades get into my brain, right? I know I got a winning system, and I know that I just gotta execute on that system consistently and long term. I'm gonna be ahead. I'm not gonna worry about one single result of a trade. So if you're gonna learn anything from this month, learn that it's okay to take losses, right? It's okay to take losses with a winning strategy. Good losses are wins in disguise. You gotta remember that, right?
Yes, sir. What does it mean to have a long wick? Pretty much you just got a range to fill. Like right now, price on pound yen is gonna fill this range here. So it's got a wick to fill up here. So at one point this was a rejection wick, but now as we come back around, it becomes a wick to fill. So it becomes a new target. So that's where pound yen is headed.
Hey, green or eat.
Green. It's the cost of doing business. That's right, Disturbed. Think of it as a business write-off.
Right. You gotta pay to play, like Wick's not with that.
You gotta pay to play the game, gang.
You gotta pay to play.
Yeah, I would have loved to take advantage of pound yen, but we had that beautiful 30-minute celery play, so. Anytime it's a debate between GJ and gold, I always go with gold. Oh, yeah, we didn't miss it. We were just in a trade on gold, so I wasn't trying to open up another trade on GJ. How much percentage do you risk per trade? It all depends on the stop loss, because I use standard lots, right? So I just use a fixed 10 lot. So sometimes it could be 1%, sometimes 3%, anywhere in between. The celery play would have been an A+ setup if it was with the daily bias, definitely. Against the daily bias, it was A-. It could have been, but we waited for that range too. That was the most important thing that we did, because this was our first range right here. And then this became our second range. right? And then we got a closure outside of the range. So this was the second range. We got a closure outside of that with this candle here. So therefore, we were all ready to go, right? We had this candle close bearish. Next one broke the high, right? We should have done this almost immediately, but we didn't, right? We just kind of came back down. That's what I'm saying. The outcome to any given trade is going to be random. It doesn't matter if you normally have a 90 or 92% win rate or 80%. Either way, the outcome is always going to be random. So therefore, this one tapped us in, and yeah, it just came down and broke the lows there. So it was, yeah, exactly. So
And
it
a
should
good-
be an A+ setup, right? Range 2 breakout.
And a good loss is a win in disguise because it's a loss that was going with your plan, right? It was a loss following your plan. So it's a win because you're consistently following by following your plan every day. You know, you're creating the habit of following your plan every day. So
Yep.
you're consistently following the plan, and that's going to lead to you being up, right? Up in the month, up in the year, whatever it may be. So that's why a good loss is a win in disguise.
Up, up. 1 hour celery? No, because you see how high that wick is now? So that's really no longer a celery play. A celery play is a little bit different. You see how this wick was like very shorter? Or
Straight
short?
ahead.
Yeah, the next
Yeah.
one. But we are remaining above this resistance here. So yeah, if we close back below, then we may get another opportunity here. Because if price wants to go down, it's going to want to close below here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour candle too. Yeah, 4 hours is going to close below if this wants to push down here. So let's see how everything closes up in about 10 minutes, and we'll see where we can get the next high probability setup from. Cool. Nick checked the daily on gold. It might be a good lesson for us to learn buys are a lot more riskier without a bottom wick. No matter if you have a range. Yeah, that we'll keep looking into that. We'll keep looking into that. Because yeah, the 1 hour candle had no bottom wick.
On the daily time frame though, look at where we were taking the buys above. Like if you look at the daily, you can see that the buys were above those supports that were to the left on the daily. So
Yeah.
I think that's another good reason why we, another thing in our favor.
Yep. Yeah, we had everything working for us there outside of probability.
Right.
Everything technical is lined up.
That's a good trade.
Yeah.
And so far it's done nothing but just stop people out and play around, look at it. So this is why it's wonderful to just have a playbook and a plan and just follow it. Because it's
Yes,
just
sir.
no emotion involved, just do what it does. Do what it does, do what it does. Low stake, gang.
Sniper entry on demo, 1 minute time frame. There you go. GJ had no bottom wick. Let me see here. Yeah, but we would have been in GJ, so if we would have taken pound yen, we would have taken it here at 8 a.m. So we would have been in, and then this candle would have opened up, but that would have been fine, right? Because the only time you don't want a bottom wick maybe is when you're in the trade. All right, that's when you want price to blast off. But yeah, no bottom wick. We would have been in that trade already, so. Yeah, we're probably most likely going to come up and fill that wick there.
Yo, I like that. Black Poppy. We still on the hunt, Nick. The animal just changed directions.
That's it. Yeah, because
That's
if we
it,
get
bro.
if we get a 1 hour close below there, then price should continue down. But if we remain above here, then you may see the next candle start to push up, especially with the 4 hour closing above like that level there. So we'll see. We will see. We're gonna have to
post
wait.
it up by the bush. Spears ready. Just sharpen them and up everything. Took the shot. Gazelle goes like this.
Dodged it.
U-turn.
Dodged it.
U-turn. Last second, He heard a little branch snap and it scared him, so he changed directions. Unlucky. Nothing we could have done, you know. Something cracked, made the branch crack.
Possible
That's funny,
closure
bro.
above 1957.48. Gold 30 minute. Gold right now, just looking at the 4-hour candle here, because everything, our next decisions are going to be based on where can we anticipate the 4-hour candle going. So we're going to hang tight. We got about, what, 6 minutes left here. We got 6 minutes left, and we'll see what, you know, what we can do here. The day is still young, my friends. Swords ready. GJ is filling that wick. Filling the wick. When would you start reducing your risk? Let's see here. Let me just see what did I lose on that trade here. Custom today. So 2,500. So I still got 2,500 hundo to play with here today. So probably you know, look to keep stops, you know, somewhere around 20 pips on the next trade. If that's logical. If not, then I'll have to lower my lot. Let me switch back to 10
Still
lots
got
here,
2,500 to play with here today at the Nick Casino.
at the Nick Casino.
Yeah, I
At
was
the
sitting there
TTE
watching.
Casino.
I was sitting there playing, watching Raja's FOMC stream, bro. He named the title NFP stream, and first of all, and then so I go and I'm like, what? And then I'm like looking for it, and then I was watching it, bro, yesterday. It's so funny. He's like, I'm just gonna, yeah, like
That's
he's
too
like
funny.
29K, and then he's like, nah. He's like 50K. He goes, okay, welcome to the Raja Banks Casino. We have 50K to play with here today.
I
He goes,
seen
I'm
that.
hoping to walk away with 15,000 to 20,000. I will be very happy. Dude,
He
is
loaded up
so
the account and go,
funny,
all right, we got 50 to play with.
bro. That's so funny, bro. He's so funny, bro.
The funniest thing was in that same exact stream, someone's like, "Yo, why you take a win on your own, but a loss on stream?" And yo, this guy Raja, dude, said, "Why you take a win on your own?" He's like, "Yo, you guys are goofy, man.
Oh,
Like some of you guys in
That's
the chat,
hilarious.
man, a little goofy, Yeah, Raja is too funny, man. That dude is ruthless.
You idiots.
Are you a moron?
dude,
Yeah,
he got margin called in it too in the beginning. It was so funny, bro.
Oh,
He started
no
going,
way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Because he started
dang.
stacking positions. He's on the phone with some guy. Some random guy calls him. He's like, stupid idiot's calling me about something, and he puts it down and goes, okay, I think now I take a sell. And he enters sells, and then it starts pulling back, and then it margin calls and starts closing positions.
Dang, that's too funny.
Yeah, that was so funny, bro.
Guys say you guys are goofballs. Doom,
Yeah,
doom, doom.
Raja Banks, bro.
Goat.
Oh,
Should I go for a funded account or with my first? Wait, hold on. Should I go for a funded account with my first account of 500? Yeah, why not? Yeah, if you plan on running your trading off a funded account, then why not just go for it now? Because if you can make whatever it is 8% on a, you don't even have to spend 500. You can spend like $50, right? And if you can make 8% pretty consistently on that account, then you just up the capital, right? My buddy Tyler said he said, hey, listen, you know, once you've got the consistency, now it's time to scale up. So find the consistency on a you know, a smaller account and then scale up from there. The best troll in the industry. Raja likes the troll. He said stupid ass stupid. Yeah, man. What's the best broker for a funded account? I mean, I like my Forex funds. They use Traders Global. That's who I have a live account with. So they're pretty good. Withdrawals are very fast too. Cheers. All right, we got 2 minutes here for the 4-hour closure. What are we gonna do? What are we going to do? GJ, look at that wick fill. Beautiful. Do you pay commissions on gold? Yes. Yep. Let's take a look at the 4-hour here on GJ. GJ is looking clean. Gold is looking pretty good. See, gold at a 4-hour celery play. See, this is how our play should have panned out here. I think we got tapped in, right? And it just, yeah, once we got tapped in, it just, boom, dropped from there. You guys ever seen Billy Madison? Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. That's how I feel right now. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Dollar moving higher? No. Dollar, dollar. Interesting here. I need to trade. Veronica Vaughn. Yeah. Mrs. Vaughn, yep, that's right. Miss Vaughn. Oh man, US 30 closing no top wick. Alright, let's see how everything else closed here. Let's see, GJ closed very strong bullish. Gold closed bullish above that resistance level or support there to the left. Yeah, interesting here. Gold should continue up. Let's wait. Let's sit out a 15-minute candle. Let's see how everything opens up here. But what could be happening here is just very simple, you know. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Something like that. So we'll see. Veronica Vaughn. Time to wait trading. Yep. Time to wait. Yeah, 4 hours got to come down here and make a bottom wick. 15-minute time frame, very, very choppy here. Here comes our top wick. Yeah, I think we still we could still wait for a close above this level here. So now we've created a new resistance here. So now we got a range 3 breakout. So we'll see what happens. Let's give this 4-hour candle a little bit of time to open up, and then we'll look to see if we can find our positions here. GJ should fill that wick. Yep. And US 30 closed with no top wick here, so that gets pretty difficult. Yeah, let's just wait on gold here, and we should have some direction here. We got 930 coming in here in a little bit as well, 915. So right now we're just chopping around here in this consolidation range. So we need to find some sort of direction and then look to make a move. Unique, are you here? Good morning. Good morning, Rita. 1K likes, are the streams going down? What do we got? How many likes here? Oh, 748. Let me like the stream myself. There you go. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? I don't think you've had more than 12 pips. More than 12
Yeah, I just
pip
typed in the
wins this month.
chat. I said
Let
that
me
might
see.
just been you. I got 70 pips full on a position this month, so you know,
Ooh, yeah.
that might just be Nick. It ain't just a setup.
Do the
Setups
math
be
for us,
setting,
Bars, since
setting
you're
up.
super hyper focused on us. Do the math for us, brother. Let us get the final count there. Do math. Do it. Jump, boy, jump. God bless you. Oh. What levels are you looking at for gold? Right now we're looking same levels pretty much. Yeah, pretty much same levels. We have a new resistance here, so we gotta keep an eye out on that right here, and then we'll see what happens. Yeah, we have volume pumping in here at 9:30. So found your channel today and just subscribe. Oh, thanks. We're glad to have you here. We are glad to have you. What's your favorite pattern? The celery play. The one that we just took an L on. That's my favorite. Favorite play. Where you get a bullish breakout, 30-minute on the 30-minute time frame, closure, and then once the high breaks, usually this thing is gone. So that's usually my favorite play, but not today. 1K likes. Oh, we're almost there. We got 200 likes to go. Can we get there? Are we going to get our giveaways done today? I don't know. We'll see. We will see. That news wick was filled on the 1 minute. Yeah, yeah, that news wick pushed up quick. Four-hour wick fill will be nice. Yes, it will. Yeah, let's just wait for a bottom wick here. We may wait on 9:30 here today. Yeah. Good evening, all. Hey, good evening. Good evening. Hey, it's morning for me, but good evening for you. You are living in the future. We had a celery play on GJ. Where at? I don't see it. Yep, there it goes. Filled the wick there on pound yen. So if we weren't in the gold trades, we would have been in this GJ position here. Yeah, off the 1 hour. Yeah. What's the giveaway? How could I? We're giving away $100,000 worth of challenge accounts. Yeah, all you gotta do is be sub to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we got no top wick here on this 1 hour candle yet. So this may be our bottom wick for this 4 hour candle to come up and fill this wick here. What up, Raja? Raja. Raja. Oh, Jose's in the penthouse. I forgot about that today. What are you in Manhattan there?
I'm in Manhattan right now, in the penthouse.
Manhattan.
Yeah, this is what you get when you can afford to take losses and keep going in the long term. You get a penthouse.
Hey,
Get a penny.
take notes.
Pretty penny for that penny, eh?
Oh yeah. This only cost me 2 trades, full margin.
Wanna jive with ya? Historically, how are you on Friday trades? Really good. Normally, almost, I think every Friday, I think this may be our first loss on a Friday.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah.
Fridays are juicers.
Yeah, Friday we usually do really well.
Boycott Friday. I'm waiting for the next one.
Life is incredible. Yes, it is, Johnny. Oh my God. Isn't it just amazing? Historically, Fridays are bangers. Yeah, they are. Fridays fire. Yeah, normally Fridays are, and I think we still will have a banger Friday here today. Some of you guys are counting yourself out. Man, we still got plenty of time here today. You
Yeah, I
may
hope
be
you
able to
didn't blow your account.
Yeah, it might be able to get off, 1 or 2 more trades here.
Yeah, no, Nick, a great idea. So I did the fixed slots today.
Okay.
And man, it's just such a change, on that
Mhm.
trade. Usually the way I was doing it, I would have lost 3% on that
Mhm.
trade.
Mm-hmm.
Instead, I lost, 1.1%.
Look at that. There you go.
Yeah, crazy. Beautiful.
It's just crazy because it leaves you room for another trade without having to worry about,
Yep.
hitting your 5% daily drawdown.
Yeah. Yeah, no, absolutely. Big difference. Big difference. Why am I 4 hours different? Oh, you're probably using a broker with different liquidity. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Future
Gamer,
FX?
yeah. Future FX
Z-Game.
too. What up, what up?
Oh, shit.
Got my ocean.
Yeah, motion. We got motion. Motion in the chit chat. What do you think about
something
Euro
slight
USD?
on Friday.
Euro USD, I don't trade it anymore. I think it's a bit slow. How high is the accuracy on signal? The win rate? That is, we were like 87% win rate. Now we're down to like 80. Yeah, over this past month, it pushed the win rate down a little bit. We got motion. Oh yeah, I got 71 pips here. Yeah, I don't know what that dude's talking about. He must not know how to do math because he never came back with the math. Bring out the whole motion. What RR do you risk for? Anything over 1 to 1 is good for me. Now we have 2 wicks. I did Raja's casino. Oh, nice. There it is, wick filled. Mission accomplished for GJ. Yeah, wick has been filled. We knew this would happen, right? I think we talked about this in the Discord there. What was that, New York session? Yeah. 1 hour closure. Yep, 100 pip wick fill, yep. We were talking about this earlier. Yeah, 70 here or something like that, and then June it was just ridiculous. Just ridiculous. May was solid. Yeah, it's really our first month we've ran into a little bit of 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. Have we taken 4 losses in a month? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, last time we took 4 was in May. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about April? 1, 2, March, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so last time we took 4 was in May. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it was still a great month here. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just coming off a really good month. So
Yeah.
like it makes it seem like it's something's wrong, but there's nothing wrong.
Yes, sir. Moving according to plan. He said Wickfield, yeah, Wickfield. Yo, Nick. What up, Pete the G? Pete the G's in the house. Wheat. Can we get a wheat in the chat for Pete? Don't mean to insult you or anything. Oh, no, I'm not insulted, bro. Just basic math, you know? Just make sure everything's legit, right? I see you're frustrated, that's fine, right? But you can't make stuff up. And you shouldn't be frustrated, bro. Just lock in, man, you know? There's losing. Losing is a part of trading. It's not that you're doing anything wrong. It's not that the system is wrong. It's just that we ran into, you know, 2 or 3 losses, pretty tight, pretty close knit here. And, you know, that's why it's like reflecting pretty obviously on your P&L. But no need to get frustrated, bro. No need to, you know, lose it with the emotions. Just get back and check and understand that it's nothing wrong with you. It's nothing wrong with the system. It's just a probability, right? It's just here and there you're going to take some losses. This month they just happen to come, you know, kind of back to back. That's all. Yeah, so let's see how we close here on the 30-minute time frame, because we have NYSE coming up here, so. Wheat. Oh, nice. Thanks for the week. I'm up 5%. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yo, Trump, buy or sell? Trump. Where can I find your
I
playbook?
remember those Trump days. Do you remember that, Nick? I was
Yeah.
doing options when Trump was in office.
I miss it.
Man, those tweets would be the market movers.
Those tweets, man.
How was it when Trump was in? Was it like more selling on gold than buying?
I
Or
can't.
buying because he had.
It was a lot of
He
buys,
had the
right?
trade wars with China.
Yeah, I was gonna say I can't really.
I wasn't
remember
trading them, but I've done I've looked into it.
taking many sells.
You
All
had,
the spreads
yeah.
and the ranges were massive, man. You remember that?
True.
We had like
Yeah.
Every
I
trade
remember,
was crazy.
like you would watch gold fly up like 80 pips, 100 pips on a 30-minute candle. Next candle, it'll correct the move
Yeah, yeah, man.
and
That
come
was
the whole ways back
nuts.
down. Yeah.
Those ranges, man. Every range was like 150 pips. Like this
I
range
remember
right here,
whenever-
be like 200 pips.
Wow.
Yeah, I remember like whenever he got in trouble too, because like with
Oh, yeah.
NFP, he was sitting there and he was like, "Man, wait until you guys see the amazing job report we have coming out tomorrow." So it's like a no-brainer that NFP was gonna be really good.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
the
yeah.
SEC was getting on him. Legend, bro.
Yeah, because I remember options. Oh my god, you can literally just buy calls for the end of the week when there was news, and there was like no doubt about it. It was just gonna fly. Especially Nvidia and SPY.
Did you say spy? Spy?
Yeah, SPY was hitting back in the Trump days.
Yeah, there's a guy I follow. I don't know him personally, but I follow him on he trades a lot of spy. His name is Rake Trades. You ever heard of him?
I have not.
Rake Trades or something?
Yeah, I think for us that's SPX 500.
Gotcha. Spy. We got some spies. We do a little spying.
Sleepy Joe, buy or sale.
Sleepy Joe.
Mhm.
Bro, Rake makes so much money. Yeah, he does, man. He's killing it. Yeah, I don't know him personally, but I do follow him. He's funny.
No, the guy I used to follow, his name is Umar. I don't know if he's the founder of TradeZilla.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he did options. He's the one that got me into options.
Biden's definition of slippage. Yeah, fact. Do you like Sleepy Joe? Oh, me no speak English. Me no speak English.
Do you like Sleepy Joe?
David Chappelle. All right, we got 9 minutes here, gang. Gold has not really done much of anything. GJ has filled the wick. That was the target there for the day. US 30 closed with no top wick, so there's not much happening there. Let's see if we can get some sort of a move here with 9:30 coming in. We need a good closure here. Hey, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord here. More than welcome to pull up on the family. What do we got here? New food? Oh, damn. What you got? A steak with some gravy on it?
That asabuco.
Mixed stream total 74. Oh, 80% win rate. Yeah, there you go. Yep, it seems to pan out about 80% pretty much every month. Where do you post the signals? Oh, I post them in the Discord. Yeah, right here. Signals room. Yeah, right here. Oh, I want to run a test real quick. If you're in the signals channel and you get this, just like this, okay? I'm gonna send a little tester. I want to see if instead of putting here, if paid signals will work. Let me see. Like if.
Yeah, that should. Because I think if you at here on Discord, it only notifies the people that are online in Discord that are within that channel.
Yeah, if you guys are getting that signal, just like it up. Oh yeah, it looks like everyone's getting it. Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna use that from now on, just so there we go. So everyone gets notified here.
Pipe it up.
Perfect.
Pipe it up.
Yep, I think that's gonna be our better option here. And then what we also added here on the signals is the break-even point, because sometimes our trades can be pretty quick and we move stops to break even and it happens quick and there'd be a little bit of a delay on stream. So what we're doing moving forward now is you'll get the position, you'll also get the TP, stop loss, and the break even. So yeah, every trade is typically the same though. Comes out just like this, you know, the pair, the order, all the good stuff, and then yeah. This one we closed full, but you know, sometimes we'll move stops to break even, close 80%, leave a runner. So it just depends on what we're doing. Yeah. Just depends on what we're doing. And hey, gang, today's the last day, by the way, of the Signals promo. So right now we've been running a Signals promotion, which is buy any package, get 2 months free, but that is donezo here today. So by the end of today, moving into tomorrow, we're going to get rid of those links and put new links up. But basically, if you buy any package of Signals, you get 2 months free. If you buy the 1 year package, you get lifetime Signals plus Zoom access. So yeah. Final announcement about the promo on the Signals are ending here today. Yeah, I left it open for about 3 weeks, so gave you guys a lot of time. TK. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry for the all caps, TK. Okay, we can do it that way. I want lifetime. Green. Green. Let's go. Let's see. All right. 4 minutes. And if you guys do purchase the Signals here today, be sure to message green when you purchase that, and then everything will get all set up for you. Let's see. Oh, I didn't hear you could acquire the journal. Yeah, let me show you guys. So if you go to the Discord, let me see here. Discord. Go to the. Wait, let's see. Did this work well? I think this worked really well. Yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect, guys. Awesome. So we'll be using the paid Signals for now on. Let me see here. Announcement. So come in the Discord, go to the announcement section here, and then you'll start off looking like this, and then it'll pull up and go up, and there it is right there. So once you click that link, the spreadsheet will pop up looking like this. Go over here, make a file, or go to file and then make a copy, and then you should be good. And then if you want the trading journal easier, then just click the link right there in the chat. ! Journal. Yeah, all the links are in the description. Okay, we are coming up to a closure here. Let's see how we do. 930 is amongst us. Look it, we were at 930 here yesterday, and we're back at the same price point, 930 today. What's gonna happen here? What will happen? 4-hour candle is, oh yeah, it looks good here. Yeah, we may have buys on the break of the highs come this next 30-minute candle here. All depends. We gotta see how the candle closes. Signals chat room, yeah, there already is one. $2 free trial. No, if you basically if you buy any package, you get 2 months free. So whatever you buy, there's 1 month, there's 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. So whatever one you buy, as long as it's below 1 year, if you do 1 year, you get lifetime. But if it's under that, then you get 2 months free. 2 freebie. Why do you have a delay on your stream so we could purchase them? Yeah. No, every stream's gonna have a little bit of a delay. News in 30? Yeah, but we're gonna see if we can take advantage of this candle here. But we need some direction. We got 10 seconds here. $46 pip stops. All right, so this is the new 30-minute candle. So we're kind of in the range here a little bit. The 4-hour looks pretty good though, to fill this wick. Let's see what the 1 hour is looking like here. 1 hour did close bearish, but same thing. 30-minute, you know, we're coming down. We may be creating support to continue up. So let's see here. 15 did close bullish. 4 hour coming up pretty nicely. We may have an opportunity to fill the wick here. Let's just see. I think it's best to see how a 15-minute candle closes, and then we can look to anticipate the move off of that closure, being that we're just chopping around here. Gold don't know what to do. Are Wix and Don doing the same strategy as you? Just on the 5-minute? I honestly, I haven't really watched much of the way they've been trading over the last like 7 months here. So I think so, but I'm not 100% sure. So don't quote me. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ's coming up here. All right, let's take a look at, oh, US 30, not looking bad here. Yeah, the one sketchy part about it is no top wick here. But yeah, this seller play is not too bad. Yeah, not too bad at all. Gold still pushing down. Yeah, this 15-minute should give us some direction here. Yeah, there is a wick to fill here as well, and 930 should fill it, but we don't have solid direction just yet. Four hours bullish, right? 1 hour is bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes pretty bearish as well. Now that we're breaking those lows, so little tough where gold is. Gold is bearish, yeah. Gold is bearish on any lower than the 4 hour. But I think only the 4 hour is the bullish here. Everything else is pretty bear. So let's see if we can execute maybe on the next 15-minute candle here. Yeah, given the previous daily closure, yep, you're right. Yeah, message Green on Discord. Yep. Yeah, send Green a message there on Discord. Let's see. Given, yep. We don't have a bottom wick on the daily yet. On the daily? Yeah, you're right. No bottom wick yet on the daily. And we are bearish, right? We're bearish based off this daily time frame here, so. How can I join the Discord? Just hit !point Discord in the chat, and then the link will pop up there for you. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wow. Yeah, this didn't work out either. Or yet. It may still pop back up. Gold looking good though on the 15 right now, and the 30 and the 1 hour looking really good. If we can get a closure here on the 15-minute time frame, then I think we are good. The 5 never closed below there, so let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback, maybe close somewhere like here, and then we'll fill that wick and continue down on the next 30-minute candle or 15-minute candle here, which is the second half of the 30-minute volume candle here for NYSE, right? Take a look at the 1952 850 level on the 1 hour. Would a close below here be a good confirmation for sells? Let's take a look. 1952. Oh, below here. Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, but what I'm looking at too is over here. So even if we get a close below this level here, then we should be good to continue downtown. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Bunch of fake outs today. Yeah, man. They've clocked onto our range 2 strategy. Ranged. We're going to go range 3.5 now. We got 1,000 likes yet? I don't know. Yeah, we need 1,000 before we take an NYSE position, though. That's for sure. And we only have 5 more minutes, so hopefully we can get it. GJ today made record. Yeah. Oh, damn. Look at this. Holy. Look at that. No top wick. That was my main concern there. No top wick. No range for price to drive. Boom. Broke the lows too. Yikes. Gold trolling range 6 buys. What up, Zoomers? You guys are quiet here today. You chillaxing on this lovely Friday?
Yes, sir. Hanging out.
Me no speak English. All day. Yeah.
Mi español es muy malo.
We need Sam to speak some Spanish here today. Huepa! 920. Oh, we're almost at 1,000 likes here. Let's go.
My brain takes like a little bit to think it. If I like had a real life conversation with someone who speaks fluent Spanish, I would look like did you Well, do you see how Mitch McConnell was the other day? Dude, that would be
Nah, I
me,
didn't
bro.
see that. I didn't see it.
That'll be me, bro.
Let's look it up on YouTube. They're
This is
contemplating
him.
July's
He
piano.
pulls up to the stage and goes like this.
Oh yeah, I seen that where you like froze up.
Yeah, for like 19
Oh,
seconds.
what was that
That would
about?
be me. I don't know.
That was an error in his programming.
wasn't
Wait,
sure
did
what
I
to
just
say.
say that?
Whoa. Maybe. He started lagging.
He started lagging.
He started
They needed to
lagging.
charge him back up. They had to
They're
charge him
asking me,
back
like,
up.
you wanna go back? They're like, you wanna go back to the charger? Fine. We're just trolling.
Trolling. We like to do some trolling.
Yeah, we're trolling. We're just trolling.
Yeah, I don't know what was up with that. All right, 15 minute. What you gonna do? You got 5 minutes left here. Can you give me the link to the 3-month signals? Yes, it should be in the chat in like 2 seconds. 3-month. Batteries not included. Yeah, there you go. There's the link to the signals. Turtle went back in his shell. Yo, there's been a lot of dudes freezing up
He
here
went
lately.
AFK.
Strange
That's
things
hilarious.
happening. Strange things, man. Wow. Yeah, not much here at 9:30 either today. Maybe we get that support. We'll have to see. Support. Bro, this month was not the best paid signals. Yeah, this month we took 4 losses here, gang. Took 4 losses here this month. Yeah, it's been one of no, not even. Just a regular month, you know. They just happen to come kind of 2 in a row there. And yeah. I mean, we're chilling. We are chilling. Giveaway today at 13K subs. Yeah, did we get it? Did we pop it? No, we did not. Let's take a look at the YouTube studio here. Oh no, it was a weekday here. Yeah, look at this. Only 12,200. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see if we can get this giveaway going. We need to get it going. We got to get it going. Look at this, man. 100,000 hours of watch time here. Oh man, yo, YouTube cannot keep up with us. They're still 4 weeks behind here on numbers. Come on, we want the updated numbers. We want them updated numbers, man. Quit playing with us. Love you, man. Yeah, I love you too, bro. I need moral support. You can do it, bro. You're the best.
You're the best around.
All-time high heat temps. Yeah, yeah. It's been hot in Florida too, man. Real hot. Okay, what are we doing here? 4 hour coming back up. Trying to make a decision. How do you get the signals in the Discord and trade at the same time? Magic.
Gold's like, take your L, have a nice weekend. See you next week.
You destroyed me all month long. Or not this month, but you know, last month. Yo, I think we already answered that question about the 5-minute time frame thing. I don't know. I'm not too sure, man. I haven't really paid attention. Or I haven't really watched the way they've been trading. I do know that they've been trading on the 5-minute, but I don't really know much else. Basically, I learned from Raja and I learned from Don within the last 2 years. So this year I have not really seen much of how they've been trading, but I know they're killing it as always. But everything I learned was based off of what I learned from Raja about 2 years ago and the way Don traded 2 years ago on the 30-minute 1 hour. That's pretty much the way I still trade. So I just took what I learned there and, you know, continued trading that way. Yeah, 15 minutes should give us some direction here. If we break this 4-hour high, price is most likely going to come up and fill that wick there. So we may reattempt these buys here, ladies and gentlemen. We got 44 seconds. If we get a closure above. Range 69 buys. All right, 15 seconds. 8 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. both seemed to just go up and down today. Yeah. Yep. Closure back within the range. Yeah, man. Nothing we could do here just yet. But give it time. The hourly candle is going to give us something too here. So see if we can close below this level. We've had a lot of really good trades at 10, 10:30. So right around this time. I watched the O'Connell video. Clone. Yeah, a lot of people, I don't know what's going on. They're rebooting or something.
Quaking.
Word.
They're quaking.
Quite.
Yeah, very
Gold
interesting.
Pretty strange, huh? Yeah, look at this, man. This was just chop central here today.
Yeah. I'm wondering if it isn't just because because they were talking about, or at least Powell was talking about, you know, wanting to see more data come out over the next month. And then like we had 2 news events like at the start and then the finish of like the prime.
Yeah, that's true.
That might be why.
Yeah, we had CPI, we had FOMC, we had a lot going on here.
Yeah. Well, I mean like for today specifically.
Oh, today, yeah.
Yeah, like we had 2 red folders at 8:30, I think, or maybe 1. I know 1. We had PCE price index in. And then we have consumer sentiment at 10.
GJ, yup, tapped.
GJ might be that guy.
Yeah,
He's that guy.
GJ's that guy today. Hop on the NASDAQ train. Yeah, we've been watching this pair. Oh, look at that. Nice push up here today. Oh, wow. 4 hours been ripping. Yeah, that'd be nice if the NASDAQ can close on the daily above this level here. And then on Monday next week, you have a wick to fill and nice clean range there. Clean. The last month I made 1,500. This month I'm down 600. Haven't made nothing this month. What should I do? Just keep doing whatever you're doing to make 1,500. Yeah. Yeah, you probably don't have to change anything. You just probably gotta keep trading. Keep trading when your setup comes. That's all. Yeah, just keep next trade, right? Next trade. Four hours starting again. Yeah, the news may fill the wick here. Check out my Discord emojis. Let's take a look. We're at hey, yo. Celery, onion, breakout, troll. Oh, quaking. Meditate. There you go. Some of you guys gotta take a quick break and go meditate. Hey, yo, these emojis are lit. Nice. Who let this guy cook, man? Who let him cook? Any predictions on GJ? Yeah, we filled that wick up there, so that's probably all the steam that GJ's got here today. Here comes the rocket. Yeah, we got 10 minutes for an hour close, 30 minute, 15 minute, all that. Discord free to join? Yes. Yep. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy, trust me.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Sniper entry. Cleared phase 1 today. Hey, congratulations, bro. Dubs. Big W right there. Big W. Onion, celery, bring out the whole salad. Ugh. Yeah, we should probably change those names because I do not like onions or celery or any of that in real life.
For real.
That stuff's on my dish. I'm like, get it out of here. Get it out of here. Just wait on it. What up, X? X in the building. I'm like a kid. I'm like, ugh, get it out of here. Let's name it the PB&J.
I like that.
We got the PB&J here coming up. Or the bacon and eggs. Ooh, yeah, that sounds good. Bacon and eggs sound good. Just got off the flight and straight to the stream. W. Yeah, who likes celery anyway? I mean, what? That's like, what is that other thing called? Coleslaw, right? Coleslaw? Oh my God. Why?
Yeah, facts, bro.
Why? Someone answer.
Coleslaw, they got
Why?
That, the white broccoli. What do they call
Get that away from me. Oh, that's
Cauliflower.
cauliflower.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's
Claw.
nasty. Get that out of here, bro.
Why not?
Come on, bro. What a
Yo,
rabbits,
that's
yeah.
fun.
What Richard said, bro. What a rabbits. Coleslaw, fire.
I know a lot of people
You
do
are
like
nasty,
coleslaw.
bro. Nah.
Oh man,
Hey, nasty's nasty.
he nasty. Hey, I'm ready to get some. I'm ready to go work out. This Friday session has been just chippy choppy here.
Paper.
There you go, lift some weights.
I'm unsubscribed. No, please don't leave us. I promise. I'll send you lifetime coleslaw. Whatever it's called. Coleslaw? I don't know. Whatever you want. Celery, onions, coleslaw. I'll send it to you. Please. Don't leave the stream. I'll give you lifetime I'll give you lifetime access to coleslaw. Not white broccoli, Sam.
White broccoli.
Cauliflower and cold slaw. There you go.
Cauliflower, yes.
Cauliflower. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa, Cal talking crazy.
All organic setups. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that. The names, you got to give credit to Don because Don named these. I don't know where he pulled these out, but it came from an organic trading style, which makes sense. But man, you got to be talented to make stuff like that up, man. I'm not that talented. That's why I just kept the name. Weren't we actually like debating on whether or not to change like a name or two?
Yeah. Yep. We were gonna call the celery play the salary play.
Oh yeah, the salary play. That's it.
Called the pack runner.
The pack runner. Yeah, I like that name.
That's what I used to call it.
We
bro.
got a pack runner here coming up.
I like
That's
that too.
clean. I like that.
That's what I always love calling it. Dude, Nasty will go crazy if you start calling it that again, because he misses calling it that. He was
Oh,
like,
really?
He's telling me, he was like, bro, he's like, every time I hear that, I still get confused sometimes. He's like, because I'm so used to in my brain hearing it. I was like, that's so funny, bro. Yeah, that's hilarious. The pack runner. Dude, because it's just like, look at how the candle looks, bro. It
That's
just
so
throws
true.
A little
That
bottom
makes
wick
sense.
and then bleeds, bro.
Later.
Goes crazy. Or juices.
Too funny, white broccoli.
Yeah, I'm not sorry. I forgot what it was actually called for a minute there. I had to actually think.
The Ricky Bobby. Run up the Ricky Bobby.
What else is nasty? Them Brussels sprouts. Ugh.
Zucchini. Zucchini. The shake and bake might be coming up.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called We Do a Little Trolling.
Hey Donald, how you been, bro? The Motion Quaker. Ooh, that's a good one. The Motion Quaker.
The Quaker Shake and Lube.
The Quaker Shaker, Ricky Bobby.
Oh.
Bring out the whole cauliflower.
Beautiful.
Hey gang, you know what happened here? I didn't have my wedding ring on that first trade, man. I don't know. That might have threw us off there.
Oh.
Damn, bro.
I don't think I ever took a trade without this wedding ring. My bad. Socks were in check. Those were good.
You're the type too, bro.
I think we had 200 likes before we started the breakdown, but I can't confirm that, gang. So that's how serious these things are, man. Don't let your wifey hear you. You gotta make sure that the socks are on right and the ring is good. Yeah, there you go. No, I'm really, by nature, because I'm an athlete, a little bit superstitious. But you know what I say? I just say, nah. It doesn't have anything to do with that. It's just take your playbook positions, Nick. It won't have anything to do with any of this stuff. I got 5 ice cubes in my XS every morning. There you go. Look, that guy TK threw us off today, chat. Realize his socks are messed up, mismatching. Damn, son. Damn, son. We'll let you slide on that one, bro. Make sure them socks are lined up perfectly next time. Dude, really? It's Bruce Buffer. Oh, man. And we didn't have Bruce? Damn. See that? Celery play and all. And without Bruce or the socks or the wedding ring. So Nick's on Tinder now. Yeah, I had one of my boys, we were sitting there talking, and he started explaining the new updates on Tinder right in front of his girlfriend. Would you believe that? It's like, dude, how dumb could you be?
What?
Messed up, man.
What are you? What's up with you, bro? Get out of my house.
We didn't see him. We didn't see him the rest of that night.
I haven't seen him since. Can you trust someone that works for Amway?
That's crazy, though.
Absolutely.
Like, what? Like right in front of her, bro?
Yeah,
What's he
Amway's
trying to
solid.
do? Like get her there.
He wasn't thinking.
Yo, what? Idiot, bro. He fumbled, bro. He those
fumbled.
words came out. He started quake.
Yeah, by the way, they're not together anymore.
Yeah.
Not sure if that had anything to do with it, but. All right, we got news coming out here in 1 minute.
Sign up.
Tighten up. We're going to break the
It's gonna be
4-hour
loading up
and
the
fill the
casino.
wick here. Here we go. Wick fill coming in hot.
And we're in the Time to Eat casino.
Doo, doo. 1 minute for news. Yep. Finally got our move. Yeah, there you go. Doo, 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 doo. Time to Eat casino coming in hot. Oh, wow. Rejecting the top side still. Lot of rejections. You guys noticing this? Lots of rejections to the top end here. Very interesting. Yeah, it's a nasty range right here. Nasty. Mortgage run. Can you give a brief explanation on fixed lots versus percentage based? Yeah. So I've been talking with some of the guys about this lately because I made a decision. So originally when I was trading, when I got my magic keys first, I was trading risking percentage based, right? And it was cool, right? Because you knew what you were going to lose every time if you did take a loss. But, you know, one thing there was every time we had a really tight stop loss, like let's say this was our position here. Boom, and we had tight stops. And let's say I was risking 2% per trade, right? Well, if we get stopped out here, I lose 2% now. Where if I was risking a fixed, like, let's say, excuse me, in my situation, a 10 lot, I would only lose 0.8% there. So I got to thinking, man, you know, having a tight stop should be beneficial to me, not detriment. No, not a detriment, right? So what I started to think was, why don't I just put a fixed lot there? And then if I do go, let's say over 20 pips or 30 pips, or my range that I'm comfortable with, then what I'll do is I'll just lower my lots, or you know, switch over to fixed percent at that point. But I noticed that having a fixed lot size will allow you to, you know, number one, all you got to do is make more pips than you lose at the end of every month, which we can do that. And you don't lose as much on these tight stops, right? Now, if you're going to have like a 35, 40, let's say your stops are below here and you're not comfortable with a 40 pip stop or 4% loss or something, then you just adjust it, right? And you put it to where you want it. So I like using fixed a little bit better. It's all personal preference though. Just bought signals. Oh, if you guys are buying signals, go on to Discord and just message Green. Send Green a message on Discord. Otherwise, you got to wait for me till after the stream. So if you want quick access, just message Green and he'll help you guys out. If not, give me a little bit and I'll get back to you. Yeah, you know what else? What I would do is I'm like, you know, the most logical stop is here, but if I put it here, oh my God, my lot size goes up like crazy, you know, and greed was getting me there, and then, you know, get stopped out. So yeah, I just like fixed lots. Yeah, because you know how the further you are, the smaller your lot size is, but then the closer you go, it starts to open up, right? It starts to get bigger, and you think, oh man, and then you start to see what the goal or the target, the TP would be, and you go, whoa, yeah, man.
In the TP, bro, yeah.
Screw this logical stop loss, man. I'm making it as tight as possible, and then boom, you get hit, and now you lost 3%. You know, when you could have lost 0.8. So those were my reasons for doing it. So yeah. I have doubts on the onion play. Looks as celery play in higher time frame. Yeah, look, this is like another celery play here, or it's kind of onion slash celery, but yeah, price is stuck here, man. We've been here all session. We've been here the entire session. 1, 2, 3, 4 hour candles. 4 hourly candles have done absolutely nothing here.
Nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, look at this 15-minute time frame. Just trash. Yup, just nothing here. Weekend time. I'm ready to go get a workout so I can pump my biceps like Raja on the live stream. Yeah. Yeah, man. This guy said, "Are you Indian?" He said, "Does this look like an Indian?" Yo, this guy's wild, bro. Does this look like an Indian to you? Ah. Look over GJ. GJ's done, man. GJ's done. It may slowly trickle up at this point. Bloody barcode. Mike Tyson voice. Yeah, GJ was the play here today, man. But are you in buys? Nope. Yep, the market will invite us to the table when it's ready. That's right, man. That's
exactly.
Good mindset there. That guy TK is really learning because he's a really smart dude. But I think TK, you're pretty new to trading, right? Would you say? Are you under 2 years or over 2 years? Yeah, June. Yeah, you see that? So not even a year. So to be able to already grasp that mindset, you're so ahead of the game, bro. Yeah, months. Yeah, you see that? So, you know, he's a smart dude, right? And he's taken the same exact mentality that he's been able to use in life to become successful in other areas, to become successful at trading, right? And no matter what, anyone who's ever accomplished anything in life knows that there's a little bit of a journey, right? A little bit of a trial and error phase. And no matter what you're doing, whether it's business, whether it's trading, whether it's athletics, whether it's learning a new language, whether it's playing a new instrument, there's going to be a learning curve, right? There's going to be a learning curve, but at the same time, success principles are the same no matter what you're doing. So you could apply these same principles to anything in life and you'll get a good result, right? But you got to apply those principles. So yeah, man, very, very mature mindset there. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow, big W. I wish I had that mindset when I was early in the game. Yeah. C4 got the 16 pips yesterday. My man.
Okay, man. The quicker you can learn the known principles, sooner or later it will start to reap for you. Right?
Hold on one
Everyone's
sec.
process is different.
And we are filling this wick now, right? On the 4 hour? Yeah. Yep. Like I said, wick fill coming in hot. Yeah, let's see what happens here with this 15-minute closure. Anticipate training taking at least a year. Look at that. Yes, you see that? Some of you guys want to get this in like 1 month, not really understanding. There's a learning curve to things, right? Because all we were taught in school was to remember or memorize information, but we're not taught how to run the process, right, of things. Trial and error. If you make a mistake in school, you're wrong, right? You're stupid. What do you mean you didn't get the answer right? So we're taught this way of thinking, and we got to break that mold, man. Got to break that mold. Look what he said. I'm anticipating the training could take at least a year. My last 9 to 5 took 6+ months before new hires could be sent out on their own, right? Company took a huge L when someone quit before their first anniversary. There's a process to everything, gang. But if you have the mindset, you're going to win. You're going to win. I've been training for more than a year. All I did was pass challenge and then blew it right away. Yeah. Why not taking the... Oh, we had news here. Yeah, we had news in the way. Otherwise, we probably would have taken the onion to come up and break the 4 hour high and fill the wick. But we had news come in, so... Yep, that was JP. JP was on the line. GJ is going to be stuck here. Hey, chat, this looks pretty good here on US 30 now that I'm looking at this. There's no news, man. The last one is at 10. Yeah. That's why we didn't take the trade at 10. Because we had news. $15-minute. Closes here in 3 minutes. So let's see what happens. US 30 might be clean too. Risking 0.25% on these sells. Wish me luck. What sells? On gold or US 30? Oh, GJ. Maybe GJ. Let's get rid of everything here. Make these charts a little bit more simpler for us to look at. All right. What does it mean to pass a challenge? Oh, just to pass a challenge, to pass a funding challenge. These young folks with that type of mindset will be successful. I was 27 years until I started a business. I didn't hit the $1 million till I was 33. Yeah. What up, Trill? All right, let's watch how this 15-minute candle closes here in 20 seconds. And the last move I'll be looking at here will be 10:30. So if we don't get anything on this 15, like if it closes with no top wick or something, then we'll wait. We'll wait one more 15-minute candle, and if nothing there, then off into the weekend we go. What if we follow the playbook on the lower times, like the 5 and the 10 minute? Wouldn't it give us a higher probability of finding our setups? One thing I noticed down there is a lot of fake outs. So a lot of fake outs on the 5 minute. I never really looked at the 10 minute, but the 5 minute really got a lot of fake outs. So you got to really study the 5 for quite some time to get a good grasp of it. What do you think about GJ? I think it's going to slowly trickle up a little bit more, but it may stay right around this area here. Trying to see what the distance is, because we do have a London close here. Yeah, GJ is actually not too bad. 15-minute celery play, 30-minute. This isn't really a breakout though. Like, it's just a wick here. That's all I'm basing that off of. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably let GJ go. It's kind of ran a good amount at this point. Waiting to get activated on GJ. Oh, nice. GJ's scary now. GJ's gone? Nah. It may be gone, but yeah, I'm a lay off of pound yen. And then US 30 here, still coming up to create that top wick. Yeah, 15 closed. Doesn't got a bottom wick yet though. So if you can get like a 15-minute resistance like this chat, something like this, so you get a candle to close bearish. Say this candle closes bearish. Then we may be able to take sells now coming down. Yeah, because what you have from basically from here to here is a vantage point, right? So you can move your stops to break even right here and then hold until this this wick fill. So I may be interested in that. May be interested. We'll see how that candle closes. US 30 does like to move here later in the session. Yeah, we may get a 15-minute celery play here on gold and a 30-minute breakout. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Why don't you take gold buys, Nick? I may take gold buys. I may take gold buys to continue back up here to that 1964 target. Grab that flight down to Tampa. Is there still a giveaway? Yeah, absolutely. I'm just waiting on you guys. Just waiting on 13K subs here, and then we're gonna do the giveaway. Oh, TK, yeah, you better be there, bro. Yeah, we're gonna get some dates on that this weekend, and next week we'll have some dates on the Time to Eat meetup here in Tampa. Our first one went pretty good. It was a fun time. That was in New York. We did one in New York. Now we're gonna do one in Tampa. GJ gone. Eh? What? GJ gone. GJ done? Oh, you grabbed 15 pips. Nice.
Oh. People.
Last call. Why would I consider? Oh, because I'd rather wait here. We got a 30-minute candle closing here in 10 minutes, so we may get a just a simple breakout, and then 15-minute celery play. And by the time we get up there, we can move stops to break even, and that's where you should see a really nice push. We shouldn't break the high and come down. So if we enter off of the 30-minute breakout here after getting a bottom wick, then we could be in this position like that. And then once we do get, to this area right here, we could move stops to break even. And then that'll be the break of this 15-minute celery play. What that'll do is that should push price at that point. So we'll go break even there, and then we'll try and, see if we can take advantage of that range. But 30-minute may not close above, right? It's been a weird day there on gold, so we got to make sure that candle closes above. I'm stoked for the Tampa meetup. Might have to go. Oh, yeah. All righty, understood. Oh, awesome. Cool. Yeah, because we got 9 minutes here. So this candle can, if this candle closes below, we're done. We're calling it a day. Right? How you doing over there in Staten Island there, Uncle Scalp? We're done after this. Yeah, we're done.
Sheesh.
Nothing.
Gold said, take your L and go take a walk.
Go take a walk. Yeah, how you doing?
Take your L, go take a walk. See you
Not
next
today.
week. Go take a walk. See you next
Not
week.
today, Junior. Not today.
Not today, Junior.
You call me funny? Funny how?
What do you have? Like I'm a clown?
Gold acting funny today. What do you mean funny? Funny how?
I'm here to make you laugh.
What am I here for? Your entertainment? Yeah, I gotta hit LA soon too.
No, you don't
Just
have to
a
do that.
quick in and out. I don't like staying in California for too long. It starts to rub off on me a little bit. LA. Oh yeah, Daniel's in LA too. I forgot about that. Just watched the Goodfellas last night. Oh, nice. Yeah. Come back with purple hair. That's actually funny. And my nails painted. What in the world? Commie. I love that. That's too funny. Yeah, California is a good place to get in and get out. You can catch me down here in Florida. Florida, baby. No more New York.
Trying to get out of here.
Definitely no California. Just bring out the whole drugs. Yeah, man, California's homeless rate is really crazy. I would like to go out there and see what we could do for the homeless, but hey, chat, as we wait for this new candle, what's your top goal? Place in the chat, what's your number one goal that you're after here right now? I want to see what some of your goals are. What are some of the goals that you want to attack, right? If it's, let's just say the one important goal to you, what is it?
Bring out the whole goals.
Bring out the whole goals. Freedom.
Freedom, baby.
Yeah, the TTE, yeah. What we'll do is we'll do some of that. Be as disciplined as you. Time freedom. Help your family. Full-time trader. Provide for my kids. Never work under someone else. Pay for college. Help my parents financially. That's always good. No 9 to 5. My goal is to be able to make 1K per month. Freedom from the system. What up? Yeah. Huh? Pretty soon.
So you guys
Pretty
can
soon.
all accomplish these. I believe in all of you.
I want to pay for the dreams of my friend. Generational wealth. Being able to support my parents and start a family. Nice, nice. Get to 20K on my 200K account. Escape the matrix. Financially free. Financial freedom. Moving out of Kansas City. Be a disciplined full-time trader. Nice.
Go to North Korea.
Go to North Korea.
Yeah. Strong.
Use that
To become a sugar daddy.
early retirement. Nice. As much free time with my kids. Yeah, man. Half the day when I get off the stream, I'm just laying on my kitchen floor with my kids. Just playing. They're all climbing on me and throwing stuff at me.
Damn.
Able to provide for the homeless. Yes, sir. Family bills. Yep. See, you see a lot of you guys, these are the things that are like really important to you that you should use, that you should think about on a daily basis when you come to the charts. And these are the things that'll help you remain disciplined, because we all have like these big, long-term goals that, you know, we want to have and all this stuff and be a multi-millionaire, blah, blah, blah. But what about, you know, some of the things that you guys just said here? Like, take my friends on a paid vacation, or free my entire family from the loans, right? Or to retire early retirement, spend time with my kids, right? These are the things that are going to motivate you and keep you disciplined on a daily basis. So that's what you guys should keep in the forefront of your brain and your mind every single day that you come to the charts. If you have to write it down every day, there's nothing wrong with that. I do that, right? I do that too. So you got to have something in front of you that's going to keep you extremely disciplined. And it's always going to be the more important things, right? The emotional things, right? Going to Mars, that's a great goal, but that's not going to keep you disciplined on the chart, on the charts, right? Every single day when you wake up, you have to have a reason to be a professional. And, you know, especially if you're dealing with you know, greed, FOMO, all that stuff, right? Over trading, over risking, you got to kind of get something to ground you. So think about these goals here this weekend. And if I were you, I would write down a list of goals and then start to cross them off as most important, or label them as most priority or important. And once you get down to the most priority or the highest prioritized goal, that's the one you need to think about every single day. That's what keeps you disciplined. All right, we got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. TTE on mine, gold Lambo. Oh. All right, so we may have a 30-minute breakout here. 1 hour looks good to continue up. 4 hour looks good to continue up. So let's see how this candle closes. If we can get a bottom wick here, then I'm going to have buy stops here either on the flip or the break of the current high. So let's see what happens. Got 40 seconds. Retire my wife? Yes, sir, Marvin. Just some extra cash for some charity and my business class flights. There you go. That sounds good. Alrighty, let's see what happens. So stops are going to be like current candles, stop loss, and then TP is going to be, you know, up here at 19, well, let's see, 1964. Stops right now, probably going to be like 1957, 250, somewhere around that area. And then break even will be 1960, 800. Yeah, chat. So I'm going to have buy stops here at 1958, 6-7. Pretty tight stops too. Yep. So we got about 9 pip stops here. So if we flip, we should fill the wick and then continue up. Alrighty, perfect. So it looks like I've been activated here. So got into some buys. And stops are going to be the current candle lows. TP is going to be up here. Break even is going to be right around this wick fill here. So let's see if gold has what it takes to make the jump. Do, 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 do. Break even. But playbook position here, so gotta take it. Activated. Nice, nice. Yeah, should get a nice wick fill here. If not, no big deal. But yeah, if we did get a breakout now above, probably should be able to come up, at least fill the wick. That's about 18 pips or so, and then possibly continue on up. So we'll see what happens here. Let's go, gang. Yeah, I'm risking less than 1% on this trade. So for the breakout for this last push here at on Friday, it's worth it for me. I think gold will come down. Hey, it may go down, it may go up. All we know is we got a 30-minute breakout here, part of our playbook. So I gotta execute, right? Got to execute. Oh, don't stop me. Don't stop me out. Oh, all right. I got stopped out there. All right. Yeah, that's probably going to be the day here. You can set buy stops on the break of the highs here. I'm not going to do that, but if we do break these highs, you should be good to continue on up, you know, to fill this wick and then potentially come on up to 1963 here. But I'm not going to take another trade here today. That's pretty much my day here. I'm going to let it go at that and then just come back at it on Monday. Yeah, that's all.
All right.
Alrighty,
done.
boys. That's
Yes,
it,
sir.
All right,
man.
boys. See you later.
Yeah, next position, if you're trying to take a position, would maybe be at the break of the high there. So wait for that high to break, and then once you break the high, you should continue on up. You got about a 20, almost a, yeah, like a 18 pip wick fill there, and then 1964. So we'll see if that happens. But yeah, that's gonna be it. That's the day, gang. That's the week. That's probably the month. So rougher month on our side here, but still not too bad. You know, when it's all said and done. So appreciate you guys for coming by here today. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys back here on Monday.
Yes, sir.
Monday, boys.
Yeah, there you
Have a
go.
good weekend.
Boys.
See you guys
All right.
on Monday.
Later,
All right,
boys.
see you, boys.
Have a
All right,
good weekend.
chat. Love y'all. Hey, if you haven't liked the stream, like it on the way out, sub to the channel, and we will see you guys on Monday. Deuces.